Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. I'm on the rock. Jehovah guide me. I'm on the rock. Go tell my enemies I'm on the rock. Da na na ni ni na 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 na. I am under the rock. The rock is higher than I. Jehovah guide me. I'm under the rock. Don't tell my enemy. Where you say, Shelly Ann? Where you say you find me from the one but the mix up about Pon the Rock? Yeah. And I mix up to make you find me back down. Munchy, don't bright yourself about if I'm hungry. My belly full right now. Don't even start. Okay. And I may make white skull always a copper claw your mouth corner and thing. Yeah. Yeah. Munch and me make you hungry foreigner. Like the mix up we come yesterday about I know yesterday that mix up that did come. The mix up we come about the hungry belly side, man. About the hungry belly. Watch out now, right away somebody jump in. I owe this.
Go on.
There you know, yeah, say.
There, man.
See, where you say?
Want a side chick, you know?
A joke you run, right?
No, man, I'm serious, man.
Now when I want to start the show, we not joke, we not eat that thing, you know.
No, I'm serious, man. I want a side chick.
Well, I ask you for call later here, and we have feature, I say DJ, NJ, dude. All right, so call later here.
All right.
Yeah, man, and we line it up for you, all right? Because, you know, for the woman, them not there yet for you get your side chick. What's going on? Remember the last call yesterday was the Bridget who wanted him side chick, though. Wait, I want to put the oh, my left it. Oh boy. Yeah. Shani Pepper, you come over, don't big up yourself, man. Large up. And as you come over, if you not follow me, make sure you follow me. Right away before we get this thing going. And we're going to break up, mix up. Break up, mix up. Right? Mix. This thing in there, man. Mix up will involve a break up. Some form of breaking up. That we depend today, you understand? Or any other thing we gonna have. Hello?
Hi, evening.
Evening. Eh? Talk to me.
So, what me young?
No, hold on. The similar thing I reach with. Sometimes when you call on a position on a thing good. You depend earpiece, speakerphone, or Bluetooth.
No, I'm not depend on that.
Something you know, when I hear you clear.
All right.
No man. What you talk, man?
My phone, I'm using my phone.
No man, you move your mouth or something. You're not talk directly in at the phone. You think you talk directly in at the phone, but you're not.
All right, can you hear me?
Yeah, what you just do?
I just pick up the phone from where it was.
That you should have done long time. That you should have.
Instead of playback, I can hear a playback right now.
Well, me not for know how to do that over here, you know, but it's not the play. We just want to hear you clearly. That's all. All right, and whatever. Yeah, man. Whatever you do a while ago, that's why I'm asking what you do because we are hear you clear.
All right. So I have a big self for when I was 19.
Yeah.
19 or 20. So me I talk to this man, you know.
Eh.
Only and solely. But the man I kill me with money no raga. I
Eh.
mean, the man treat me like he treat me good for take care of me. But
Yeah.
when it come to the woman part, the
Yeah.
man that kill me with bun right through all in my face.
In your face?
All in my face, right? In
Oh
my face, all
God.
in my nose. But
Oh,
I was young, I did a girls' school, so you don't know that you have to just settle
mm-hmm.
with that.
Right.
Raga.
Yeah.
I go for vacation one time, you know, and fly out left him.
Mm-hmm.
And I book a man over there.
Mm-hmm.
And so the friend that I was on vacation with, you know what the girl do? Call the man and tell him everything.
Call the man and tell your friend.
Oh dear. Yeah.
She said she did it on vacation with you, obviously, right?
Yeah, she was.
And she
I
called
don't
the man
I
and tell the man everything what you do.
I don't know what happened. Make sure do that to me, Raga. But anyways, if ever you're a big man, he might kill that himself.
Him do what?
Raga,
No, you have to talk the mixer. You can't laugh it out. You know, remember say you attack and people are listen to you. You know? So what you say happen after she do that?
after she do that, the man start calling me to be like any trip or whatever. But me dey already plan for any trip. Because I'm much smarter than that. So you know, say a vacation thing is a vacation thing.
Right. Right. Yeah, but then so what else happened? She gone. Somehow I don't know what mix up is, you know. God. Yeah. Yeah, she never really lucky though, you know, she never really lucky. Yeah. People say that. Well, that's it. People that be careful, you know. You don't want to call in and say, Raga, me have a mix up for you, you know. Raga, you know, say one day me up on one side of the road. And me start walking, you know what happened, Raga? What happened? Me not reach the other side. No, that don't mix up. Yeah, that don't mix up. Yeah, that don't mix up. I make a call and say, Raga, one day I slip and guess what happened? Me drop. That don't mix up. Them something that don't mix up, all right? Them that don't mix up. Them that don't mix up. Hey, people. Everyone see the people them still at talk about the panny rap mix up and things. See, large up, my soda. Again, as I don't come over, make sure so now follow me right away. As I don't come over, make sure so now follow me right away. Alright. The people them are trickling and thing and when they pan break up mix up. Oh, this look a little loud, you know. Check 1 3. No, it's okay. I'm going to bring it down just a tad. All right. Break up, mix up. Any mix up will involve a break up where you break up or somebody else break up. Greetings, what go on?
I go on, Raga.
You know, some of the thing, well beard and nice up and thing and smell good and all these things. I'm me for tell you.
Yeah, me have one spicy mix of Italian now.
Say now.
And so one time I live with this boy Raga.
Mm.
And me say, Raga boy can't man palm me in a Raga.
And carrying
And me
woman
have
pan
to,
you, yeah? Uh-huh.
and me have to what I do tell the man whom I done sort out in a house.
What? But me not understand. You and him live together?
Yeah.
And
And me
him
have to what I do till the boy done sort out the woman in a house, Raga.
and him bring a woman pan you and when him in there he make you
If some what I do a Raga like a idiot.
Wala. No, what? No. Hold on. So, no, you have to tell her what happened. So, him bring the when the woman come, what you see her, what was said to you?
Me what I do a Raga, the boy lock me out a door.
No. No.
The woman not say nothing to me. This go in the house with the woman and lock the door.
That's it?
Yeah,
How old were you?
in my 20s.
I know how old, but how old him was. Nah. Eh?
He went 20 enough before me. Me went way up.
No, but you just give it the thing, Brad. So you did outside when him come or you did inside?
I got me and him live together, you know, but me go and come and my father house.
All right, so give us some of them.
Me mostly they have him or sometime, Raga.
Yeah.
So him fix phone and sitting, you know, so him say my gallis.
Right.
One night me and him a go home, Raga, and him tell where boy do me.
Yeah.
Me have $100 to pay my fare now. And the boy say, me must use my $100 pay a fare and tell the taxi man say me nah enough fare. Me say, how me fit do a thing like that? He says he buy one box food in a Raga.
Uh-huh.
And as me reach home with the boy lock me out the door and stung the house and him have a whole box of food.
No, man, I never your man that, man.
And he in the house I talk to him baby mother on phone now. Me can't say nothing in a Raga.
No, that wasn't your man. That wasn't your man.
Yeah?
That wasn't your man.
No.
No, man, I never your man that. You know, you did think you think say your man or whatever, but that wasn't your man. No, but so when him did bring the girl come at the yard, how she did look? Describe her.
Me know a girl man I want a slim girl in our district.
One tall, slim girl in our district. So when him bring her there now, you did outside or inside when him bring her?
We're in the outside.
You did the outside. And when what you say him do? What happened when him bring the girl?
In the ground pan the road I play that me know and me see man the girl walk come in our yard. And the boy not say nothing to me in a Raga, he go in the house and lock the door.
And go into the house and lock the door. Are you know say them in there sort out?
Me no say nothing because I'm afraid of him.
Oh, see now we are get to the to the matter. A bad boy. Eh?
Yeah.
A bad boy. Are the gunman?
No Raga.
Was that the bad boy?
Man and sitting, so
Eh?
as I say, hey me and lick you.
Oh, so him used to put him on them pan you to down.
Mm-hmm.
So as you say, whatever this and that, what him do, him box it down and thump you or something.
Mm-hmm.
Him ever
And
kick.
that's why if he test joke in a Raga, when the girl gone, the boy say me have to strip naked to give him front before me can come in the house.
Well, you did a whole front from him and now want give him front, or you always give him front
me
whenever?
give him every night in the apartment for front Raga, me have to give him front. Sunday to Sunday.
So every night you want him to do that for sort out.
Mm-hmm.
And then when him bring in this woman and him lock you out and thing and him in there sort out with her, you did that for outside and you did hear them in there sort out?
No, I'm still what I do in the dark till when they're done.
You sit down out the door in the dark till when them done. So when them done, what happen? The door open and what she come out?
He follow the girl.
And him follow her gone when my carry her go?
Come back and he lock the house door and I miss down what I do. He said me have to take off my clothes before me can
Well, when him bring her out, him did go with her? Eh?
Yeah, follow a girl go up the road, but he lock in house door.
And lock the door and left you outside. And then when him come back now, him say, if you want to come in, you have to do what?
Mm-hmm.
What him say you have to do?
Strip naked. Strip naked.
No, man, that man was enjoying like some form of sadomasochism. That man was enjoying like shaming you and ridiculing you. That did turn him on, man. You know, him did that. He enjoyed treating you like trash, you know. Him did a power trip on you and whatever, and him get off on them something there, you know. Bring in a woman, lock you out in the Sata road, come out with the woman, go up the road with her, come back and then tell you, say, boy, if you want to come in back in the house, you have to strip naked and come say. No, man, that boy was just not just abusing, you know. He had some sort of sickness where he became, I would think, my best guess is that, like, turned on by, you know, the way when him shame you and ridicule you and reduce your humanity and whatever, that did that turn him on or something, because a sickness that did that go on with right there. So you end up left him.
Me, one night me go Chilani.
Eh.
I follow me cousin woman go Chilani and me meet this guy. And me and him live together, you know. Me and the guy still live together. And every minute him a search my phone in a Raga.
Mm-hmm.
And fight me and all type of things. So me decide say me I go left Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Say me get fed up of everything.
Mm-hmm.
So the guy when I meet a Chilani, me and him in the talk for good little while.
Yeah.
Till me and him get in, me just left him. And when me left him in a Raga and still come at me house, you know. And I see him this trip live, you know.
Mm-hmm.
He still left him house come up on me yard say if me can give him another chance. Me tell him no. I found that me and him never deal back.
Oh, nah man, him did just have you. I feel now yesterday now, but him did just have you like puppy show, you know. In a feel mind, you know, you just dead there and him can do as him like with you. You're not gonna away, that type of thing, you know. I see the one time when you say you leave and whatever, him a beg you for you come back and whatever. Him never love you, you know. Him did just want you come back and get more of the abuse and whatever because you was him look a plaything for do as him like. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And whatever,
So my
but
biggest thing now, Raga, me and him a friend, you know.
you and him a friend now?
Yeah.
And that was long time that did go down, though.
In a long time.
So what kind of friend you is now? Like you just what?
We talk as friend and him live overseas, you know. And he send me money same way or something.
Oh, him send you money too?
Yeah.
What you say? Like a good food, him send you good money also?
Yeah, man, he send me like say $100.
Oh, yeah, it's send you alcohol 100 also.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, at least you know get past the some of the craziness and could have balance up on the thing certain way and thing. All right.
Because every time that you ain't young enough, so we never really understand.
Well, that too. Indeed. That too. All right, big up yourself here.
Pick up yourself to Raga. Have a great day.
Yeah, man, you to put us. Take care.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Nah, man, some people still say, you know, some people are, you know, sexually aroused with abuse, you know. Yeah, some people, it turn them on. When I talk rough sex, you know, that different, or, you know, butt up sex, that different. Because most people who like butt up sex outside of the sex, you can't butt them up. Like, women who like if a gangster them up when that and that are going or choke them or them something there, and I call them certain things outside of when that done, you can't call them that the same thing there, you know, you can't treat them certain way or whatever. That is only for the sort out. Right? Because some man get it twisted, right? And I understand the thing. Some woman love, you know, sometimes. And everybody, people like that with. People who never notice it. Yo, who never there with somebody, I want to just feel safe and secure and free for just do anything with them, see? And then you were there with somebody else, and you love them. I love them even deeper than the other person or whatever. But you would never do certain things with them because you just not feel it. You know? These are things that I read about, you know. I'm telling you, okay? I read about these things. I know these things, but I'm yeah. You ever talk to somebody you really care about them and even love them, but really care about them, you're really into them. And then why you do certain things. And I don't say you want to do it, you know, but you just don't feel it with them. But you really like them, you know. You really connect with them, you know, but you just can't do certain things with them, you know. And then sometimes, no, you can't explain that to them because they're going to get it twisted. Because they're going to say, oh, so what you say? You do it to other people, you not do it with me, and you claim say you love me, and you claim say you there with me, but you don't want to do it, you don't want to do it for me or whatever. Then you know what I mean? And that'll be a problem. So you can't really explain it to them. But you just know, right? You just know, nah. And then you have somebody else now where like, you know, you just free up with them people, you understand? And like anything, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Lord Jesus, I who this? I who this? I who this me I bring in now? I who this me I bring in now? I who this? Is who this? What are they? What are they? Even before me make you chat, what are they? Rocky, Wagwan.
Nothing me there, but just say.
Wagwan, Rocky, the great pan the rock. Okay.
Me there.
Where you so good as?
Me there, man, Wagwan.
You know, some of them give thanks and thing. Boy, me I tell you, say you deal with the internet wicked. You deal with my show terrible what the and thing. Hey, Zimbabwe.
Because I said to you, I say, turn one piece of celebrity because I didn't even know that my voice was so
Recognizable,
everybody
don't.
know my voice.
Yeah.
And everybody I call me, I say, "Oh, you that Kim?" I mean, like,
Yeah.
everybody, even your viewers, a lot of them want to know if I true. I'm not gonna come here so I can tell no lie.
No, listen, don't.
reason for
You
do
don't
that.
have to respond to them and whatever. So some of them keep up them foolishness,
And
right?
guess what? You see, true, me literally look like enough. A whole heap of things happen to me. Can't even talk so much.
Nah, let me tell you something. I happen to have friends all over, right? And then, and you know, sometimes you have good friends, but you not talk to them for a while, you know? But, you know, still you link them. Yo, man, you dig up some of my friends, them, you know, man.
And true, man, even mine, we dig up some of me too from all over the world.
Yes, man. Some of my friends, them, man, say, yo, King, you know, you have people know me as Kingsley, yeah? People know me as Raga, some people know me as Tipper. And me have some of my brothers, yo, Tipper. Me see that call, man, what you call it, sitting about the rock and whatever, that woman there, that call. And me I said, dog, so I mix up a bus to me hear from you. Now years now me not hear from you and then find me or whatever, me I tell you, dig up. Me have some friend in Namibia, you know, still in South Africa there, whatever. And them are not Jamaican or whatever, and them are link me and I say, yo, that mix up, it was really good, it was funny. Cause them understand
My
Jamaican.
only bad things happened to me, Raga, because we used to travel.
Yeah.
Our little bad picnic earlier in our life. So, you know, we fast and even up.
Yeah.
So a lot of things. No, they find funny. But at the time when they did that happen, you know, the joke wasn't there.
Right.
Looking
As
back
usual.
at it, and also we realized I have a good storytelling skill.
But you know, but you realize it. But here's the thing, though. What makes it work is that you weren't trying to be funny. The people them who come here and I try to be funny, they're never funny. The people them who come on, anytime somebody come on and them say something like, yo, I have a wicked mix up again, take a mash up. 99% of the time it flop. I mean, I say nothing to them, but it flop. You see people like you who just come on and you just be your natural self and you say what happened and you talk and whatever. I want to always come over and shell down the thing and sell off the thing and what. Because you just attack. It's just not. You are the type of person, you know. Me can't tell you know, you're the type of person that would run and you know, look, a boat around and drink around.
Ask my friend them because they don't top laugh when they run.
Running around, I'm telling you, I know you.
Yeah, they always say that.
Yeah, and you, but you don't set out to give jokes. You don't set out to give jokes.
No, we just talk.
Exactly. You are one of them people. I am not surprised. You say you have a bar, right?
No, I own a shipping company and I have an ice cream and pastry shop.
Okay, very good. Yes, because your name is KRC Shipping Services and things. Man. Nah, man, you're the type of person like people love your energy and love to hang out with you and them something there, whatever, because it's just a natural thing. You don't have to put it on. It just did it. And it's something you have to teach to you or whatever. You just have it like that. You see it? Big up yourself, man.
Let's say a word, but I want next time, but I not get it now. I don't want them tired of me yet. But just go and break a little bit.
All right.
And then running back with it. I don't want them get tired of me.
No, man, but you can't say what you. But you know, follow your spirit. Follow your spirit. Yeah, man, follow your spirit.
For the right energy.
Me like that. Because that's the other thing.
Time come.
Well, you know, so that's the other thing. You have people over the years, you know, somebody will come in and them do something, sell off, you know, and all enough for them mind them boss, you know. and then them start to force it. Then them
And that's
start
when
to
you meet up in a problem because
yeah,
you get stale and tired because
exactly. Because
I
them
was
things
never a social media person, you know, like I just come on social media because, you know, it's there and,
see
you know, a lot of people. But I always tell myself secretly that, you know, if I should, I know it would work well for me because of the type of person I am, but it's just not me. I
see
just like to be me.
see
And
there. Big up
being
yourself,
upfront
man.
on social media isn't my thing.
Yeah.
It's not my thing.
See
But
there.
I appreciate the exposure though.
Yeah,
I
man.
do appreciate it.
Bless
And
up yourself,
I'm
man.
glad I was able to entertain
Blessings,
everyone
man.
with
Give thanks, man. Give
So
thanks.
big
Give
up
thanks.
yourself and continue to do what you're doing.
It goes some, man. All right. Protection.
That's the
Blessings.
part.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The great Pondy Rock right there and thing. Rocky on them case. Yeah. Now, man, you have some people come down and give like a good mix up. And them things say, oh, them supposed to come back every day, call every day, and, you know, and give good mix up. And then them end up a force it. And then it become contrived and it become dull, flat and thing because nothing not dead and them are trying to put something there. You understand? But then you have some other people now, like who are listening a long time and I know Sekibaka me and them people, when them call in, man, they them bring it every time. You know, them kind of good like that. But those people are exceptional, right? And you have people now who because of them character, all when them just a chat, Tani, big up yourself, you know, me see you. And when them just at, you have some people, you know, them not tell us, say, you know, some more I go down the road and go buy my sock and thing and whatever and thing. And just the way them say it, you end up a dead with laugh or whatever. Cause them just, and what kind of name this that person you have? Yo, and what kind of name this that person you have? Let me see the person come in because that is an interesting name, man. Okay, person are coming. Person named Cowcat. And I want woman. I'm not saying anything. Nah, see no. Yeah. All right, break up, mix up. PK. Hello. Greetings. Greetings. Derek. Derek.
Yeah.
Why you not talking? You see it upon the ear now.
Eh?
Derek.
Yeah, man, I hear you.
But you not talk.
You talk, man.
Yeah, what? You talk, but you listen me. You call in for say something?
No, I didn't.
No, but your request come in.
I don't know that.
How you mean you don't know that? Then you no must you do it.
No, sir. I'm not touching the phone at all.
Yes, man, you touch your phone because when then come in and hear you talk to the other man there.
Eh?
Eh?
I'm sorry about that.
All right.
Yeah, man. Respect.
All right, yeah, man. Cool. You know, some I don't use that phone thing, you know, not gonna get in that trouble, you know. Yeah. What's with that? Somebody like me, if one from me connect with you and hear sound and you not answer me, I listen. Right away, me I cut my ears and listen. Yes, so you can't stand there and wait name the, you know, govern on a connection them and all these things here. Hello.
Hi, Derek. Hi, Raga.
But you just call me Berries. I Berries you just, what on there, man? What on there? What on
Derek,
there?
me I tell my friend about a while ago.
Yeah.
And then you call your
Yeah. I saw to get to that trouble. I saw to get to that trouble. I call man one different name, but hi berries. Hi berries. What? And you're coming.
Raga.
No, you're coming bossy with it a while ago. Hi berries. Hi berries. Would I get
I'm
yourself?
sorry about
Would I
that.
get yourself in a deep hot water this, so you know? But hi
Listen,
berries.
I
What
met
go?
man a while ago.
Eh?
I mean, I told my friend about him.
Yeah.
So that's why a mistake.
Well, your man named Berries?
No.
Oh,
I have no man named Berries.
you don't have no man named Berries?
One man me have.
One man you have? Okay, all right then. Cool.
Yeah.
And on a
But
Berries,
anyways, my calling can never look a mix up to tell you.
send on.
All right. So
Ye-
one time,
Yeah.
right? A
Ye-
big man, you know.
Yeah.
Nice clean big man. Only
Ye-
fault, him have 9 finger.
9 finger, okay.
Yeah. 9 finger, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, getting to know the person, he's telling me that he had a heart attack previously.
Mm-hmm.
And so now, based on the medication that
Mm-hmm.
he's on, down there, it's not working.
Oh, okay, the instrument now work, yeah.
No, the instrument not playing.
Well, I have a fan a blow upon you. You're still from the fan.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, and the same instrument now fire. Nothing now going.
Mm-hmm.
So he's actually not Jamaican, but he just came here for vacation at that time.
Yeah, move her from the fan. Move the fan still a blow up on your phone.
Hold on. Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah, no, I hear you. We just don't want you the fan a blowing it. Yeah. Go on.
Oh, sorry, actually my son here again.
Mm-hmm.
So anyways, so we get to know each other. And as I told him
Talking
about
on the phone. Talk directly in the phone. Here, don't be distracted.
alright, so I tell him about in condition.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So I say, okay, all right, we can work with that.
Yeah.
We can work with that. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So then this man start telling me no. But him have one white woman over there and she give him oral sex. So me I think can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Me have really wonder if him lick his head or something. So me ask him and say, what are that about? Because back in them time there, it was kind of taboo. I think that was like 2010 or 2011.
Yeah, it wasn't as people weren't as relaxed with it as they are now, right?
Exactly, and I never did that before, and now I gotta do that. So, anyways,
So them time that you never did do it yet.
I don't do it any at all.
Eh? Eh?
Yeah, but
It's a
anyways,
while ago I try to catch you, man.
no, I can't catch you.
All right, they got you.
So, he might tell me all of that. No. I mean, I say, when I work with that, I'm going to do them something there. So, me just start advising. So, he might ask me to go for one day with him. So, it's all right. Try it again.
Mm-hmm.
You guys press out tell me if you go do that. We go Devanos.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I eat ice cream. Like, him want buy one ice cream and share with me.
Right, and
Raga, the man and him who the oral sex back in them time there. Me not do that.
so true.
Remember, it was taboo. What kind of sharing ice cream? Think that honeymoon business is?
Oh, so true. Say him swipe him
Yeah,
back in and
Mr.
yeah. You just no want to see you know lick the ice cream with that same amount there.
Raga, we can't share that.
You and him can't
No.
share ice cream.
Cannot. Every time Raga, the man rub down my leg, when you look 9 finger, my skin crawl like lizard that crawl by somebody.
What the finger them, the 9 finger them did bother you say him not have 1 finger?
Yeah, because I'm Tom gone and every time we don't know, we just keep
Hold
going,
on.
Raga.
One of the finger where they got and one of the big finger.
Yeah, the Tom gone.
And that just throw you off down.
Show me off and then this now, what you must say about the oral part. No, that was another thrown off.
Okay, so you just couldn't work with them something there,
Thank
no?
you.
So anytime him I rub your leg, we call him 90. So anytime 90 I rub your leg and thing, you just never feel it, no.
No, never.
But I don't
Never.
really feel for, well, you know, if you have 9 finger, you have 9 finger, you can't.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is you are on the topic of saying that when you really like somebody, you'll go the extra mile for them.
Yeah.
But certain things you think you would have do, you might not do it with that person.
Right.
Right. So me I say him I tell me that him not give me the option to say, all right, maybe more that think about it's like you wanna force it indirectly.
No, but what I not understand, if down this on if this on not work, what
Oh yeah, what am I
yeah
gonna do?
what are I gonna do for him? If it not, I don't know, was he saying that it will work if you do it?
I don't know, but indirectly I must want me to do it. And that me get
No, but
from him, I
if
try
him
to.
tell you say him can't start you up because done then work, but him want you to do it. What I'm
But me
saying
not
is
do that to him, Raga.
no, but what I'm saying is when a woman eat banana, it's a
You
whole
have
different feeling when she eat porridge.
yeah, but the
So
banana is the same. After me
yeah,
can't carry back the banana to life. And a Lazarus.
nah, yeah, that me I say you can't eat porridge and understand and think say banana. It just not gonna work.
Exactly.
It just not gonna work. Porridge a porridge and banana. You understand? You know, one you
Exactly.
slurp and then the next one you do another S word. But me not understand that part there. That part there, if you know, if it not work to the point where him couldn't do nothing, me don't know why him expect you to do. Unless he thought that you had a miracle mouth.
No, me not have them out there.
You don't have a miracle mouth.
Mm-mm.
Him probably look at your mouth and say, you know, say you have one of them raise the dead mouth there.
No, me not have that. Me not have that, Raga. That is not in my category.
Yeah. All right, bless up yourself here.
All right, have a good night.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Cool. Yeah, man, I want to say big respect to the people and me soon with the TamFam emoji them and thing. Right? Me see them, right? Jimmy Q, are those subscribers? Jimmy, do you have to be a subscriber to have access to the TamFam emoji them? Now wait for Jimmy. Oh, yeah. What? Okay, see people that make me know that. Oh, I saw it go. I saw it work over here on TikTok then. All right then, see there. All right, sweet Julie. Sweet subscribers only. All right then. Well, big up the subscriber. I'm sweet Julie. Me see you. Queen Nash, me see you. Yeah. Whoa. You see, all me I learn. Me don't know say me I'm one of the emoji them with my face upon and people like Jimmy make them there, you know. See him there Jimmy Q, you know. I make them and things. So big up on yourself. Sweet Julie. Sweet Julie, what her name? Why you never just put Mango on your name? Sweet Julie Mango, cause you don't know. Well, you probably know why running pan Julie Mango thing over so and thing and whatever, yeah. Yeah, man, but the emoji them a go on. See there? Them a go on. Big up on yourself, you know. All right then. I don't know why Maya Alza calling and then when me link her, she not answer. Now so it go. Now Maya that one me did I try reach before. But she don't answer. I'm going to say, all right, break up, mix up, any mix up involving a break up or anything. Yeah, PK, but you have to come in. PK, you have to come in and make me see you, right? Right? If me see you, me bring you in. All right? So send the request, PK, if you want to follow. Okay? All right, if you over here and things, send on, and you don't follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now, please. Follow me right now. Send on. Just put on the follow right away and make it happen. All right? All right, PK, Wagwan.
Wagwan.
All right, what you say?
Why, you know, say, Marie, from last night, why you love from one night when I see you come on the live, you know.
Seeing? Hold
Boy,
on,
you
hold
see.
on, hold on, hold on. You have the live a play where you the, you hear it?
Eh?
Are you hear the live a play right now when you are talk to me?
No, I'm going my phone alone, me depend.
Yeah, cause something a loop, you know, it a loop. So you all right, go on
Oh,
talk.
look.
Go on talk, go on talk. No,
Yeah.
hear it, there's something a loop, man. So you play it back when yeah, it a echo, it a
The echo.
hear it there, yeah, man. We hear it, man. When time the same signal, when the outgoing and incoming signal depend the same channel, that happen. We're
We don't
hearing it.
know.
We're
We don't
hearing
know
it.
what that.
You sure you don't have it? Just lock off anything and just talk to me on TikTok.
No, on my phone alone, me depend, man. You
Pe-
still hear it?
check.
You hear it? You hear it,
Yeah,
Stewart?
yeah. I don't know how them do it, but when people call in, there's something them do when I make, hear the same thing, a loop, and then you do that. If me say hello, it up hello, yep, and it track it out and whatever, So somehow you do it, but look like you understand.
No look so, cause on my phone alone, me have.
All right, so what you say? So what I go down?
Yeah, me I tell you, some boy, you keep a company. Last night, you make me laugh in my week,
Give thanks.
Boy, me I tell you, boy, I work me there. Security work me doing now, me there on a duty.
Yeah.
And me I tell you, last night, you make me laugh till me almost piss up myself.
You see, there goes someone, all right?
Me I tell you, me just want to big you up, you see me?
Give thanks, my lion, all right? I say a
So,
word, man.
I want the topic tonight.
It can be anything.
Boy, you know what I want to share, cause is a man me not really too have no history with no woman, Just from, when I remember one time I usually go high school.
Yeah,
This girl, when me I tell her, say, I feels like say she gonna be everything
yeah,
what me did want, what me that look for. Me
right,
did love her, me did love up to what the clothes that she have her.
yeah,
So me I tell her, me love her.
right,
I mean, I know if I true, she knows some love her so much. But my best friend, true must see they look better looking than me. She chose him over me.
oh,
And me I tell her say the people them usually all talk to her and I say boy, what should I do I eat that thing because all my friend want to do I just sort her out. But
but
a
when
man like
I
me,
say, give it that you never did ever get for Sata out, right? You feel say you did think say you and her in a something when you and her never in a something that really your friend she did like all along.
what was friend? Me didn't want it to be more than that.
No, me know
Me did have it say more than that,
you did have it
but
said more than that, right?
yeah, but it wasn't.
But what me I say, but you never did even kiss her.
No, that one.
Oh, no kiss?
Yeah,
What
I
kind of
hug up.
kiss? On a hug up and kiss?
Yeah,
Like what kind of kiss?
I look what I mean that call a chups.
Nah, man. Then chups are not there with.
Me know say I'm not there with, but the girl come all of my yard.
That don't mean
For,
nothing.
for sure you say, me never had a force up upon her.
But when she come
But
out your
if,
yard, she did in your room and thing you and her together.
yeah, but here what it go on, it's true, them time that, so we are pitney and my mother and father did their yard.
How old you was them time there?
Them time me about 60.
All right. You ever did make a move, pan her?
Me didn't want to do it. Me not
No, me
try
not
it. Me
ask
not
you why
say
you
it
did that
one.
want to do it. Me say you ever did make a move, man.
Me
No.
always did a ask her.
You
No.
no, but you never make no move.
No.
All right then. Suppose me tell you, say, are your friend make a move on her? I know she make a move on her friend.
Well, even if that one, them say nothing never did go on, you know.
Oh, but you believe say she end up take him.
She didn't move closer with him than me.
No, but earlier you say she end up go there with him and pick him over you because him better looking than you. That you say.
Yeah, because everybody that walking out of school and I say, boy, a Tafari girl.
Oh,
And them make me know say, yo, I must stop mad over her. Yeah, all of them something
well
there, you
on,
feel
and
me?
at them tell you say nothing, them never do nothing.
No, me go to her and me go to him and him a say no. Him a deny it and she say no. Nothing never go on.
Well, depending on what go on with me and him, and depending on what she say and whatever, me would have deny it too.
Why?
Worse
I
if it
just right for that one.
worse if it involves something for protect she. Like for some, like for what people are gonna say and whatever, and think of me and her dugu or whatever. Me nah say me I gonna take my bridge, man, me nah do that. But what me I say is worse if I something like that, me I gonna protect her and me I gonna tell her, me I gonna tell the whole world all when me and her all when she had dash it out for me wicked and she said, listen, me no want nobody know. Me I protect her, me I tell her say no, nothing not happen. All when them I say, Jano. Raga, you idiot, you can't believe it that you go over the girl, you be alone and what. Man, I said, nothing ever happened, dog. Me, I tell him I kind of hint it to her and she said, no, I'm just love it because I protect her. So then probably just give her that pill there for all, you see me?
Yeah. Boy, she did. Him did tell me, so boy, him come to me one day and I tell me, so boy, you know, so me don't really want to talk, Paul. I just that me want to forget, you know.
No, but what me I say, look how life change right now because right now things different from you. I mean, because you live your life and you. When last you get a sort out? When was the last time you sort out?
Raga,
Eh?
me I work. I sit to that every fortnight.
Uh-huh.
When me I tell you, say, I get a split shine and polish and everything. When me I tell you, I get sort out, I know I forget it.
So when they say every fortnight, you mean because you work, so every fortnight when you get paid, you go buy it?
Right.
Okay. So
Me
all
not go around the corner, I have a woman for myself, you know.
no, man, respect for that, man, because you just keep it 100 and thing and whatever. So
Yeah.
so what me I say is, how long now that go on, you pay for it?
How long?
Yeah, how long now you do that?
Me go around the corner and tell you no lie.
Yeah.
From me a little boy I come up, that I go on.
For your little boy, I come up and think anytime you get it, you have to buy it, no?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong because some man, enough man out there and things say them there with them woman and any of them not give them woman money, them not get it either. So
And that me just see that go look at me and say, anyway you take it, you know.
see it there. See it there.
Anyway you take it, you know say man a man have to buy it. Because if you not let go money, you not get nothing.
Hold on though. Hold on. Some man not for do that though, yeah?
Eh?
Let me tell you
What you
something.
tell me? You are what?
Nah, we not talking about me, right? But listen to me.
Nah, man. You have to talk off of your head.
Nah, listen to me. Listen
What
to
you
me.
going to tell me, say? You're
Yeah.
a woman that going to let go it
Listen
and you're
to me
not
now,
getting let
man.
go
Listen
money?
to my no, if me have a woman and me have money I go spend on her because me want to spend money on her.
So if
Well
you don't want to spend it,
and it not gonna be like me I think say, oh, me have to go spend money. If I'm there with that woman, certain things are gonna happen and me I go to spend, But me say outside of that, listen to Master Raga now. You have woman out there. We say the same thing. Man have to mind them and this and that and whatever else them nah do whatever. But listen to me, listen to the whole man, You see, when a woman like a man, and not just a man them like, him don't have to do nothing. Because it's just, when a woman like you, and she feel you, and it's her choice for like you, and it's her choice to choose when to run it by you, you don't have to spend money. She will take money from other man, come give you a good time and whatever.
What? Them woman they're hard to find nowadays.
Well, me can't keep it 100 with you with something.
Yeah.
You never find them woman there in general, you know. I'm never keep it 100 with you. And it's just something for you to think about, even at this age.
Why?
You don't really
Because
have
my Lego money easy.
No. We're not talking about the money. What is the thing that is the sexiest thing to woman? What you think is the thing where woman find the sexy?
Enough things that come up in my mind, so but
Yeah.
me don't know which one you are.
No,
Yeah,
don't
sorry,
think
right.
about which one me I think. Like what you just say are the most important thing to a woman when it comes to man.
When time I can't find the money.
You're going back on money. All right. Money important to woman, you know. Looks important to woman. Hygiene important to woman. Dressing good, taking care of yourself, all them things are important to woman. But a woman would have all of them something there. And you see if a man that don't have confidence, she will all try to force herself to like the man because she says he's a good man and him treat me good and him spend money upon me. But you see if that man don't have confidence and self-assurance and thing, she will end up just don't even like him and thing, I'll despise him and thing. Confidence. I mean, how you feel now way, but me listen to you and you know really have that confidence something there, you know. But you can't try to create it though, you know.
Yeah, every day you live you learn. Me have to go start work on that.
Work on it, man. But
When I say confidence, like give me an example of how you talk.
very
Like
good.
if I see somebody and want and say boy I like that person today.
Yes.
Not be shy or say boy, you know what I mean? Make a try.
Jesus have mercy, see that? Yes, man. You want the woman. You when you all approach the woman and thing, you don't want to be overbearing and too much, you know, because that can be a turn off, you know. But you want approach a woman with confidence, where even if she not talk to you and not there with you, she say, but him bright, look how him just come up confident and sure of himself. No, you know, are them something that you want. Right? Hey, you have man, you know, who step to some woman, you know, with full confidence, you know, the woman don't want nothing with him, you know. And the way the man confidence and sure I'm step on everything, you know. After a while, she said, Jesus Christ, she talk to her friend and say, Shana, me just give man done for whatever. Me say, what a man stubborn. Jesus, you know me, I say, you have to have that confidence, the man. You remember last night when, well, I think I Opie she name, the woman did a call and she say, she not like when she ask a man what you want and the man I say anything and whatever. You remember that?
Yeah.
All right. That is a version of confidence. She want a man who knows what he wants, self-assured, but she don't want a man to come beat her up and tell her not give her order. But she said she want a man who knows what he wants. And you remember she said it was a good man. And she said any woman get that man, they would have get a good man. But the man was not for she. Because she said she want fear man for know what him want. And when she said, what you want? He must say, yo, me want stew peas and me want this or that. Or me don't want nothing or whatever. Woman like when a man lead. And you don't have to be aggressive and domineering when you lead. You know, woman like when a man have confidence. Woman don't want a weak man and whatever, you know, because that's a part of the protector thing, the lead thing with them into. You understand? And the reliability thing too and whatever. You understand? Women are attracted to confidence.
Okay.
So you can work on that, man. All right? I'm hearing it in you. You have it in you.
I tell you, say, So sometime me I tell you say, me feel that true you're talking about because me I tell you say most of the time me I say, me see a lot of them. And me I say to myself, say, boy, I like that girl, you know. But me I wonder, like up at this church when I work a morning time, a Sunday morning time. And I don't get to church, you know. Up a pappy. And me I tell you say, you have a girl there. Me I tell you when I look on the girl, you know, she pretty like moon.
Right.
And she good, you know.
Eh.
And me I said to myself, one mind I said to myself, say, boy, just go make sure you know how you feel. But another mind I tell me, say, boy, don't go in because she go shame you. And at that me don't want the embarrassment. And me don't want to put myself in a trouble. True, I work. And me don't want to go say that and she go say it, say, boy, the security will look at her thing. And that go make me all put my work in a trouble, you see me?
Well, you see the second part where you just say that is not only smart, it's wise, it's intelligent. You don't want to do that at places where you work, you know? Because women,
Yeah.
you don't want the woman to start feeling that you're kind of creepy or you're kind of, you know? Remember, and Jamaica, you're there, right?
Yeah, man.
Right. And, you know, and particularly in this day and age, women are a little bit wary of men who,
Yeah.
you know,
That's
what
why I
that man
start
might do, and
just seeing
because
my
you
lane.
work there, you don't. So I would advise you to follow the advice where you gave yourself, which is don't do that where you work. Don't do that where you work. All right, don't do it where you work. Okay, but
Yeah.
you want to have that confidence, and when y'all step to a woman and thing and whatever, and she say, no, I'm not interested and whatever, and y'all a joke it out and say, I know you're not interested, you know, because what you think I'm looks or something like that. I bet you don't know, say, I would, you know, come up with something like, yo, a man who look like me will give you the most pleasure where you ever, you know, like something. That even makes you laugh, you know, even makes you
Yeah.
laugh with like, you know, your polite forwardness or something like that, you know. So even if you get a denial or a rejection or whatever, at least you have some respect for you. Because woman can't respect men who are not confident. And a woman,
Okay.
listen to me, a woman will take money from man and this and that from man and whatever. But you see, if a woman love a man,
Yeah.
she have to respect him. Women cannot love men who they don't respect. All when them
Yeah.
try, all when the man a flood them with money, all when him this and that, it reach a point where them must say, Jesus Christ, just stand up for yourself, no man. Even if I tell you someone, so anything me tell him just do what me say and whatever. I'm just boring like or whatever. Women cannot love men for whom they cannot respect. And
Okay.
women respect men who have confidence.
Alright.
All right? But it's just
That's so,
something to
that's
think
where you
about.
get your girl in.
Me?
Yeah.
No, man, me not have nobody, man. Me not have nobody. Me good.
You can't tell me that, man.
Oh,
Remember some day last night, you know.
and what?
Right, me just said I gonna make you know, say,
And what?
me
Eh?
I hear you last night.
With what?
All the one time she call you and she a tell you how you look good. Last night.
Yeah, well, we have to take our next call here.
All right then,
Yeah,
man. No
man.
watch nothing.
Yeah.
But just always know, you so when you call all the while when time me make sure call I wait for you to come on tonight, you know.
Seeing?
So you say every time when time you see me come in and you see me,
Yeah.
you just fling me in.
Well,
Cause you
perhaps.
keep me company, you know.
Well, perhaps
Right
not
now,
every
you
time.
see when me
Perhaps
hang
not.
up you know,
Yeah.
me I go just charge my phone because me I tell you, go plug it in because at 27 it there. And I you me I watch it reach this, you know.
All right. Okay. All right.
So me I go just plug it in and go and watch you.
Yeah, man. All
Yeah,
right.
man.
Yeah, man. Respect. Cool.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Cool.
And not stop the way I do, see?
Right. Good.
Me don't know about Tunde, no. Me hear about him, but you me know.
Seeing.
And me I tell you, say, You work the gold medal, man.
All right, thank you, sir. Blessings, man.
All
Respect.
right,
Yeah,
then.
cool, cool.
All right.
Moving on to the next call. Here we go. Yo, if you're watching the show, follow me. If you watch the show and you know follow me, follow me. Boy, Jimmy, the emoji, them are going. Big up the people them who subscribe to the channel and thing. Respect. And feel free to subscribe to Ragashanti channel. Feel free to subscribe over here, okay? Good evening. Hello. Marie? Hello? Nah, you're not listening. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hey, Raga, I'm here.
Yeah, man, are you, man?
Ratted.
Ratted!
Raga, the man writing, me get pan you.
No, me no want. No. Dress up your
No,
talk.
all right,
No, dress up your
let me
talk.
change that.
Dress up your
Let me
talk.
change that
Dress
because
up your
it's very,
talk,
very
man.
funny, man.
Dress up that talk, there, man. Fix up that. Quick.
All right, good.
Quick. Fix
Hey,
up that.
Raga.
No, me no want you get
Raga.
by me, you know. You're not. Never.
Okay,
Never.
me sorry, sir. Call you from. You remember me? You remember Raga?
If me remember you.
Yeah. Buzzer.
No. No.
Me used to live in Massachusetts, man.
And yeah, go on.
Okay, I'm the man where I must always tell something like Colin Powell.
You like
Yeah.
who?
Me admire Colin Powell. Me used to, talk about him a lot.
You like and admire Colin Powell.
Colin Powell, yeah. But
Oh.
he died now.
Yes, he died. Yeah, he died.
But remember, me come from New Jersey and I moved to Massachusetts. But now I'm in Colorado, Raga.
You're in Colorado. And what are you doing in
Yeah.
Colorado?
I did job move me, my youth. Job move me from, because me live in New Jersey. I just saw me meet you first. And then we moved to Massachusetts. And then the job closed up again. And I'm in Colorado now.
Oh, you're in Colorado and
Yeah, Spring. Yeah.
with
Colorado
what?
Spring. Me there.
Colorado Springs and thing. And how was it over there?
Up in a mountain. Yeah, me love it, but the weather crazy. But me love it up in
Oh,
there.
they got the best snow. They have great snow,
And the mountain,
facilities up there.
the Colorado mountain?
Oh yeah, they're famous in the United States.
Yeah,
you know.
I'm close.
And that's
Last
where
year,
hold on, that's where the most famous snow town is in America for the rich and famous, which is Aspen.
okay.
Yeah. Go on.
So Raga,
Yeah.
a long time I not hear you. The other day, I said, wait. You know, stop. I first gonna say it on TikTok anyway.
Okay.
So you on what you call the name there? WhatsApp. What are you on WhatsApp?
What time am I on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
I think
Is it saying
it's another question you meant to ask, you know.
so? You were on WhatsApp before?
I don't WhatsApp is not a social media platform. Well, it is, but it's not like TikTok, you know.
Okay, well, all right then.
No,
Because
wait. What were you
you need to see
asking? Are you making a
WhatsApp.
mistake when you say WhatsApp? Did you mean to say another thing?
No. The platform I'm talking about, Raga.
WhatsApp.
What?
So you're
Yeah,
asking me
WhatsApp.
what time am I on WhatsApp so you can hear me on WhatsApp?
Yes. That's what I'm trying to answer.
Is there other people who you listen to on WhatsApp?
No, but I'll tell you on WhatsApp one time, Raga. I might be mistaken. Forget about that.
Oh no. You mean the number? You're talking about a number, right?
Yeah, okay. I'll
No,
just
but I have different numbers. I'm an immigration lawyer, so and then the number people contact me on WhatsApp. I have a travel club, and I have a number for the travel club, and people do contact me on WhatsApp, so I have my personal number,
and of course, the timeline is different up here. You're in New York, right?
correct.
So we're 2 hours behind you guys there because it's after 6 here. So it's probably after 8 where you are.
Duly noted.
Okay. So what time you come on? Because I was just calling and I saw you.
You're asking me, so you're asking me what time I come on here?
Yes.
Anywhere, I have to set the time. We had said 7 o'clock, but sometimes I come on earlier because I want to come on around 6:30, so that I can finish around 9 o'clock.
So that's your time.
My
so that
time.
will be 4 o'clock my time then.
Yeah, 4:30 your time.
Every day?
Mondays to Thursday.
Okay, because me I saw mix up for you now, but me not know sure if one get now. Seriously.
But you can run one now. Run one now quick.
Mix up, all right.
Mm-hmm.
Not November gone. No, they done year before last November.
Yeah.
I go New York. I'm gonna drop off. I have this chick from what's her name from? The place the name again, Jesus. Anyway, I carry something for you. I know a long time.
Yes.
I carry something for you and up at Sandcastle at Ochi.
Oh, so this is in Jamaica you go?
In Jamaica, yeah.
Right. Okay, yeah, go on.
It was too late. It was late for her to go back. And I was at the Airbnb there, so she stayed overnight.
She stayed overnight.
Panky business.
Right, yeah.
Right, so and she stayed over and I'm gonna get up in the morning and have a breakfast and she go back home. But the night she will spend the night, I will go downstairs and we have a drink and play games and have fun and all of that. But take picture by the pool and thing and so me left and come up. So the January don't okay, okay, well I guess you don't remember all of that. My wife saw that picture on the timeline with her with the girl picture on it. I think she was in Jamaica.
Well, on whose timeline?
My timeline.
On your time. So you post the picture with you and her?
Man, me post the record until now, Raga, I don't know how to get up there.
Well, you don't know how the picture get up there on your timeline?
I have no idea. And I may post it. I'm sure she not post it.
So the picture where you take with the woman we have a drink with a watch by the pool or whatever, it end up on what, your WhatsApp timeline or your Facebook?
Yes, Raga.
WhatsApp or Facebook?
And a Facebook.
Facebook, and you don't know how the picture get up there?
I don't know how reach up there.
Okay, and then what happened now when your wife see?
So she sit and call me. She was in Jamaica that time and asked me, what happened now there? Gosh, she never know nothing about all of that,
So when you got Jamaica and your wife did that, you never make your wife know say you're there Jamaica?
No, she wasn't there. She wasn't going to Jamaica. She went afterwards.
Afterwards, okay. So when she go afterwards, she see it?
Yes, she was down here scrolling and started.
Yeah.
Asking. And then when she come up back, she was okay. What she do? Let me tell you what she do. When she come up back, she asked me, I'm saying I found a friend of mine. I know a long time and there, right? And I didn't know that. I said, I mean, what do you mean? You don't know, have to know everybody I know. I don't know everybody you know. So she said, all right. Give me the number. Let me call her. I said, what? To verify. I said, no, I'm not gonna do that.
No.
Was I wrong to do that, Raga?
No, you were wrong. You're never wrong for doing that.
You understand? And she kept her attitude about that, and Raga. It's so long, me that you know if it's set to you. So anyway, they carry down some male enhancement something down there for a friend of mine, and me left it down there. I mean, they have it on my house, but me not use them something, Raga. And so I carry down for my friend, and me left it down there. But when me left Raga, she realized that me carried something down there.
But your wife knows say you carry that down there?
Yeah, she knows she dig up and find us and me carry it.
Dig up where? What she dig up for finance you carry?
Me draw and all of that stuff and me dress and everything and she realized.
So she dig them up, but how she dig them up in America and find out so you carry it down there?
No. She was in America that time. She was in Massachusetts. She come back up.
Right.
When she
And
come up back,
but how she
yes.
even if she find it up here in America, how she know you the carry go Jamaica?
That and she know must search and find out, Raga. That's what me I tell you.
No. What I'm saying, if she search and find male enhancement in your stuff up here,
Yes.
how she came to know that you had brought those male enhancement down to Jamaica for your friend them?
Because she must look when me gone, Raga. And she say not there.
Okay, so she a program you and you don't know she never knows that she a program you.
Definitely,
All right.
Raga.
So she could have here cause woman do them something that them we see them before, you know. And then when you make the
Yes,
trip, them
yes.
she says such and such gone.
Yes,
And
yes.
thing and them can just add and match it out and say you carry some of them down there. So what she said to you?
Right.
What she said to you?
So she said, "Oh, when we supposed to think if you carry all of that down there and you end up a hotel with woman and where.
Which
Me
is
say what that's
right, and she
supposed to
have
be.
a right to be concerned about that.
She have a right to be concerned, but you can't jump to conclusion either.
No, but you're unreasonable. If when it's a male enhancement, what it is, something to make you think.
I think it's something one man my nurse cousin they give me. Me they go Florida and she
Wait,
gave it to
name.
me.
Wait.
Some liquid something.
Yeah,
I
wait.
don't know what's the name of it, Raga.
You don't know what the name of it. So you carried on something for
No,
your
sir.
friend them and you don't know
I
what the
don't.
name of it is.
But it's my cousin gave it to me.
You,
And me carry it go Jamaica give my friend.
right. But what I'm saying is you don't know what it is you carry. Why would you carry something to your friend them? Your friend them ask if you bring something to them what can do something.
No, he did. No, they didn't ask me to, but I just carried on because I don't use it. So I said, let me carry it, go give my friend.
Also, you voluntarily brought it to your friends
Yes,
then.
yes, yes, yes.
So this thing
Yes.
where you voluntarily brought to your friends, you don't know what it is. You just know it is.
I can't tell you what it is because I wasn't concerned about what it is. But she says me an announcement something. So and Raga listen, when me carry it down there and me left it down there for my friend. As a fact, me not even give it hand. Me left it with my uncle house and he got it. So when I went back down there afterward when I came back up in November,
Yeah.
the guy said he sell the thing for 10,000 US Jamaican dollar, Raga.
But you don't know
This
what
when me
it
get
is. It was liquid or it was pill. It was.
liquid, some liquid, some.
And you don't know what it do.
I don't know what to do, Raga. Me I tell you.
Okay.
So
So
you
wait.
see,
So wait. So your wife. You don't think it is reasonable for your wife for find out say her husband did have something to do with male enhancement, and him she must check and see what he did have, and then when you go Jamaica, some of it did missing, and then she got see picture with you and woman a poolside in a Ochi where you never tell her about. You don't think so that is reasonable for your wife to be like,
yeah.
yeah.
I'm not saying okay, Raga. I understand you say it was. Yeah, I mean, it's reasonable for her to think that way. Yes, but afterward, when you realize things didn't go where I mean, don't you should let it go if so be the case then.
Well, however you want to resolve it, that's a separate matter. But then when you say after you realize that
Yes.
what it wasn't what you were thinking,
Thank you very much.
no. You can't say she
You get it.
You can't say she realized that. You can't say she realized. Let me tell you something.
Yes.
When I was in Connecticut, I had a girlfriend in Connecticut. I had another friend, good friend and whatever, and she was going through hell with her boyfriend, like a really bad breakup. But this was somebody who was there for me. And then one day she said she want to go to the beach. Cause she a ball every day, depressed. She said, "Please, can you just take me to the beach? I want to go see what." And I took her to the beach. Me not look front from her, and she not pre me that way there, whatever. It was just my sister, right? And when she at the beach, she in the water by herself the whole time. I'm just dead because I was just there for a friend. No lookings or anything, right? And then at one point she called me. Me go in the water and thing and whatever, and she show me something in the water. When she show me something in the water, 12 in the water, and the beach kind of the ground, the floor of the beach, it kind of make a quick sinking, And then she go down, so I grab her and, pull her up and I say, yo, she said the thing no level and thing, I could come out or whatever. And so when I come out, somebody from UConn, see, from the University of Connecticut, where we were, saw me and her coming out, right? And they end up now, cut long story short, I tell my woman, so they see me and woman and walk out a bit. Me tell her, I said, nothing no go so, right? And we argue and thing and whatever, and nothing never really go so. Now, even though me know say nothing no go so, I also know that it is understandable that she never believed me. Because if your woman here say you and woman a walk out of water in a beach and whatever this and that and right? Of course you gonna wonder what go on. And even if you give her an explanation and she not believe you, it would be unreasonable for you as a person now to say, yo, you this and that, and I can't believe you not believe me and whatever this. And you did I walk out a beach with woman, with good looking woman and whatever and all them. So I knew that, she just
Nothing didn't happen. Yes.
me know say nothing never happened, but I also know that, listen, I totally understand why she not believe me. So you can't tell her, say, you can't dare know her say, your wife just knows that nothing never happened and she should have let it go. No.
So what should I do then, Raga?
No,
Because
you're in
that's
the dark.
that is the reason why I'm up here, Raga. That's the reason why I left, because she didn't want to let it go and want me to apologize and all of that stuff. I said, look, I'm not going to apologize for nothing. I never do. What you want me to do? What you want me to apologize for?
No, but probably you should have finessed it,
What?
No, probably should have said, look, I mean, I don't know what you call your girl, little pumpkin, baby girl, boo-boo, whatever, I just know you're kicking your thing like a man, because what she's asking you for there is security. And it doesn't mean that you're going to tell a lie on yourself. But it would be help your relationship if you understand that at that moment she has all right to feel vulnerable and insecure. And then now the onus is on you as a man now to give her that assurance. Talk to her and deal with her in a way where she can again feel safe and secure. You have to do something for communicate to her that, you really love her and she don't have nothing to worry about and all these things. Would she still believe you? Perhaps not. But you would have conducted yourself with her in a way where you're not totally insensitive to the fact, say, she have a right to feel the way she feel. And if you just a whole harden in a them place, then I tell her, say, basically I communicate without saying to her, say, yo, right now, you don't even make sense, because you're not right and all them something. All she's hearing there is you don't care about her feelings and you don't understand her. So you see, right there, so now, what you should have do is that, and then tone and whatever, some of us are kicking a little thing and that's right, that's in that's baby girl, let me tell you something. Something honestly, I can't really go tell you something, do something where I never do. I can't do that, see? But you know what? So I amends it and thing, and I totally understand why you feel that way there. And I know I look back on it and thing, I'm kind of rang up, because I don't know how the picture, you say you don't know how the picture reach up there, but anyway. And I said, I don't know how the picture reach up there, but for you go see the picture reach up there like that, and whatever, I can understand how you feel that way because you care about me. We're in a relationship together, you care about me, so it would be unreasonable and insensitive of me enough to understand that, see? So, I'm not going to apologize for something I not do, but my actions in some way lead to this thing happen because I'm going to take picture with her and all them things there, but I just tell her, me and her never do nothing, right? She stay overnight and she leave and whatever, but me and her never do nothing, right? But I just want you to know, say, I just you and you alone, and no woman can come get between me and you. I want you to know that never, not there, never that now. You understand? Yeah, you have to say something like that. Where
Right,
even
right.
if she not believe you and whatever, she say you care. Cause
All
what you
right.
are telling me right now, it sounds like you never communicate to her, say you care, you know, in our unsafe, vulnerable state where she did that. You never sound to me like you gave her any assurances.
So Raga,
I'm gonna
so
ask you
so
a
that
point
give
blank
that,
question,
that
you
give
know.
her right.
I'm gonna ask you
That
a
give
point.
her right. Okay,
That
good.
give her right for what? What you said? That give her right for what?
Feel leave out of the bedroom, see a night because she didn't hear what she wanna hear.
That's what women do. Yeah, women do them something there.
Okay.
That's a
All
woman go
right. Good.
on. Yeah.
Good.
Cause she'll find somewhere for put on her foot with you and whatever. Of course,
Mm-hmm.
women are gonna do them something there.
Okay.
Yeah, and
What you say,
no,
God?
no, I'm not gonna tell you no. I'm not gonna be hypocrite. Me know
No,
what
no, no,
me
no.
know what she a do, and it's something. I know what she wanted you to do. I'm not gonna lie. Me no do them something there, right? Me no do them something there. But what she wanted you to do was to run her far. No man, and if you did run her far and thing and she ball and beat up your chest a little bit and whatever and thing like that, and you just gonna say, baby girl, look, that's cool, man. Oh yeah, that's cool, man. Come
You,
in,
you
man.
have a point
We are
because she
doing
love
it yourself. Come
attention.
in, man. Just come in, man. And she would have loved that. For no say she run out of the house,
You're
and you
right.
run off
You're right.
her. And Charla said, oh, me I leave. And you said, no, me not. Well, I mean, I ain't leave, you know, because me not make you Stewart. You mad, me no want nothing to happen. I try. Me did that date this girl, you know. And we go Prendies. And we are come back from Prendies and thing. I don't know if you're familiar with Kingston, but we come up from Portmore side, I come up to 3, man. And she was one of them, you know, she did have a spoil thing where did I come out with her and whatever, which no work with me, you know. But we just happen to be driving now at 2, 3 in the morning. I come. My girl, let me out, let me out, let me out of the car. Let me out of the car, let me out of the effing car, let me out of the effing car, whatever this and that. Now, me have a little mad drunker side to me, you know. You understand? So, one piece of things she go on with Jody from Sherlock, do any part, Jody, are you me attack, your mother, Miss Christie. So, me and Jody come and Jody start fire lick for me. Me not join that something there, you know. Me not join that something there, you know. Let me out of the car, whatever this and that. Somebody have to let her out. Me have to let her out. But a 3 mile we there later night. So even though me not put up with certain things, at that time she was still my girl and me responsible for her safety.
Mm-hmm.
So when she ring kind of pass her place with me and I put on for me, because I not put on for woman, you know, but no woman can't put on for me to go about your business, right? So, but so me that, come here boy, we say, you want come out, go on. Because you're a grown woman. Because when woman do them something about, let me out, drop me out on lonely road and whatever, because I idiot thing that a woman need to learn for say, for stop do them something that open that to not draw a card for man, you know, come to no cause when I make a look a power move, right? That no work with me. So, but me know say me not let her out there. So you know say me put up with her foolishness, go all the way go back at half a tree. So when we reach up at half a tree on Eastwood Park Road now, half a tree full of people now, I just open the door and she come out. Yeah, when she come out, me slam my door and driveway. Right? And that's something on no people that say, right, but what if people out there, whatever, you know, I know say a girl can't, you know. But me not left for a tree, man. But again, me I show you a thing now. Me drive go down Eastwood Park Road and whatever. I mean, I like at that time, me say we're done. Me and her done. I mean, I join that something there. You know, come put your hand on me and all them thing there, whatever. Me not do the, me not in a foolishness, right? Me not babysit woman. But when me reach down Red Hills Road now, whatever, I say, you know what? Me don't know why, you know, it's like a spirit just say, go back. I'm going to go so, I'm going to go down pan Kansas Spring Road and come back down and turn at the bus park there and come back around pan Eastwood Park Road. And I look for her, I not see her. But me know she did start walk like back at the Burger King and go up. So I say, me drive go up Eastwood Park Road. And I know say when I go up Eastwood Park Road, I almost to reach Twin Gate Plaza. I see one car a drive by itself, you know. But me never see her, you know. But me just see the car. But the way the car a drive slow up on Eastwood Park Road, anybody know Eastwood Park Road, you know, says a main road. And out there so, where I approach Twin Gate, back the arcade there, so but the back part of the arcade. You know, say nothing not there, so them hours a night for the car a drive slow. So some of my mind, and then when I see the car drive slow, now I see a man come out of the car. Me never see her, you know. And when I see the man come out of the car, I say, it's like a spirit just tell me, say, you know, say that man a blood clot go off of my so I run down upon him and back my gun, lies gun. And back on man, I say, Jody? And she said, yeah. And there's a guy I moved to her there in the crowd, in the night, there in the dark. Come on, him could have go draw or something.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, man. So I just bend up my face the most way and say, yo, come in our car right away and thing. And she listen at that time, though. Because I take charge now, you know. I take charge now. I'm not skinning up her teeth right now. I say, go in the car right now. I say, oh, Mr. Man, go from here, some man. And guns out. I make guy know, say, oh, it thing different, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And she go in her car, lock the car. I say, yo, I'm not for me, I hear nothing from your thing. And she quiet as a lamb. And me carry her go her yard. And I make sure say Miss Christy knows say me bring home her daughter, because I respect her mother. You understand? And I bring home Jody. Me bring home Jody go her yard, a Sherlock and thing. And after that, me never chat to her. A months after that, before we talk, we done after that, me know foolishness. But her security was still important no matter where I go through. Woman, the most important thing to woman in relationship is security. Woman want to feel safe, not only physically but psychologically to her mentally. So you as a man, you have to be physically available for protect a woman, but you have to also be emotionally available to give them that security too. You were not emotionally available to your wife to give her the security she was asking you for, which she had all rights to ask you for, given what she witnessed and saw, and the subsequent insecurity she experienced from your actions. And you never did give her that. So you did wrong. And your brother Ragashanti, I tell you that. You did wrong.
No, I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying.
Yes, she wasn't being unreasonable and things. So when you are saying, oh, and she realized that nothing never goes, she never realized nothing because you never give her any reason for things. Say, oh, nothing never goes for true. You never give her that.
Not at the moment, Raga, but she found out afterward.
Afterward, all right then.
Yes.
I hear I know, I'm going to keep it 100 with you, same way. I don't want you to think so we are idiot and thing and whatever, you know.
Raga,
one on, man.
So you can't tell me.
One on, man.
You
man. You are the woman the Jamaican, you're the Airbnb, and you have the woman, but she come pick up something, and you and her have a drink and I take picture of poolside. You did quietly like that woman there, you know.
No, not like that.
None at all.
Raga, that's some of the thing because she know I'm capable of doing that.
She know you're capable of doing what? What?
I mean, I have friends, people. I can have friends.
No. I say you can have friends, but what I say is, that woman that was your friend so well that she come down at Airbnb in a night and thing, and you and her have a drink and stay overnight with you.
No, the reason why because she did transportation. That's why she came late. She started out early, but she was having transportation problem. I didn't wanna, and it was bad weather.
Oh, and it was bad weather.
Yes.
Okay. So you never quietly like her or anything.
No, Raga, no. Even listen, our girl before me even know her, right?
Yeah.
We're friends until today.
So
until she herself become friend with her. I may even give you a mix up about that.
No, well, and the last thing, because I'm never going to take some other call. But tell me something. If that woman that it goes so boom and just start kissing that night, then what you do?
Raga, I don't know what I would, but that's not the type of relationship we have.
No, me never ask you that. Me just I say, what if she at the night, the hours there, and things, she goes so boom and then roll up on you and sit on you and say, Ray, boom. What you do?
I don't know, Raga.
You laugh though. What are we here laughing?
No, because I mean the way you phrase it,
I don't
the
even
way you
afraid.
phrase it, but not like,
So hold on. So why
not a
you
nice
can't?
type of person.
So why you're unable to say no? If she start kiss my mother, do not know whether you keep saying I don't know.
Because I don't know at the same time what would happen, Raga. Me can't say nothing right
Because
now. Me
which
can't tell you
mean
something
is
right
a
now.
possibility where you said no, nothing not happen. But there's a possibility where probably you'd give in to the temptation, though.
Right. So I don't know. Yes, probably I
Okay,
would
all
say
right.
yes, probably would say
Okay,
no.
okay.
Me
Well, probably
can't
your
say
wife
at the
sensed that.
moment.
Probably your
Hmm?
wife sensed that. Boy, you know? Women have a
Sense
way,
what?
women have a way of sensing those things, you know.
What? So me vulnerable like that? No,
No, man,
I would
women
say
have a
that.
way of sensing, say, no, him not gonna step out for do it, you know, but, you know them say the rub butter a puss mouth.
Yeah,
Women have
yeah.
a way of sensing that, you understand? Anyway, respect for the meds and the
Enough
reasoning,
respect.
here.
Hey, Raga, me have another one for you. Me know when, but me
No,
want
no,
go on
one
that. Me
next
you tell
time,
me,
one
Raga.
next time,
Yeah, yeah,
here.
man. Next
All
time,
right,
no
yeah,
problem.
man,
But
cool,
next
cool.
time. All right, bye, Raga. Enough
Yeah,
respect.
man, respect, cool.
Good, good.
Yes, people. What I'm saying is, in a situation, yeah, sometimes your partner can be a little bit unreasonable, or they can have their fears. Sometimes it's them luggage where them a bring from them previous relationship. Them have all these fears and insecurity where them bringing up with you, and then them want to project it upon you, and I tell you, say you are do something wrong. When you never do nothing wrong, right? The worst thing you can have, is like somebody who is worldly and cosmopolitan and, you're gregarious and you have friends and all these things and them know say so you stay or you're a DJ or you have always been sociable and things like that. And then you go there with somebody now who have all these fears with them no work on. Them not even conscious of it, but have some understanding that if you being with them, they are obligated to appease you. You are obligated to appease them, to accommodate them, and for babysit them and nurse around them through their insecurities and whatever. And then when I said, no, I'm not do nothing. And them keep on a project that upon you, say, are you wrong? Are you? Yeah, them type of something in a relationship, they can be very annoying. And it reach a point where you're just like, I can't deal with this. Because you're who you are, and them are come with them fears and them and them luggage and all them things, they're not project it upon you. And basically I ask you for change in totality for them and whatever. You understand? And that can't work because you are gonna end up a resent them. Even if you adjust for them, you are gonna end up a resent them eventually. Because you're not being yourself. So you're going to feel displaced, disoriented, and unsatisfied. And then there's going to be this kind of tit for tat thing, whatever. Then you have all in front of them, boy, you're not the same anymore, and whatever. Boom. So you have that. But at the same time, again, particularly in this gendered scenario, gendered, male, female, right? As a man, sometimes you have to know, say, you're not wrong about certain things, but yeah, sometimes you have to go just hold hard in and say, I'm not wrong, I hate that. It's either you work with it or you don't work with it. Fine. And if you don't want to work with it, okay, good. And you don't care. Because sometimes women secretly like that too, that you're self-assured that you can hold your own for that. But you know what women also like? That you show them that you care. Right? Despite what may be going on, women want, if a woman love you and respect you, that weird and thing like that, she want to know so you can communicate certain things to her and make her feel secure in her times of insecurity, in her times of needs and so. So if something happen and you think it's a misinterpretation, you have to be intelligent enough to say, so she wrong, yes, but even though she wrong, I can't say why she feel the way she feels. So that is not insecurity. That is just concern. And why you want a woman who not go express her concerns? The worst thing you can do as a man, all on a man, listen to me, listen to the old man I tell him. The worst thing you can do is every time something comes up, you shut down your woman. You shut her down. And she reach out, you shut her down. You shut her down. And she try to talk to you, you shut her down. You shut her down. You see, all them something the way you think say you pass and done, them save up. Them save up. Because after a while you shut her down, after a while she not say nothing to you. She go just leave it alone. And in your mind, you're good now. No, you're not good. It's still there. But she reach a point where she knows it don't even make sense to say anything to you because it not gonna go anywhere because you're an insensitive asshole. And you don't care. You have nice qualities otherwise. You're full of joke. You know, you take care of responsibility, you pay your bill and whatever and things like that. But when it comes to that, those psychological vulnerabilities, which very often is from the action of the man and things like that, which he has a right to do, you know, to express concern about. And she reach a point now where you have to say, let me not say nothing to him, make him do him thing and whatever. And then what happened now is that you have created a distance. You have created a chasm. And in your mind, oh, you pay the bills, them, you do good. Man, you did a laugh and we're going to move it together and whatever. No, you did not do what you need to do to make this woman feel emotionally secure with you. When you did conduct yourself certain way. Right? So it might be, that's the theory. What's the practical? A practical example. So it might be that you have work where you're up on the road all the while. I ain't like no woman a call you and a check in for you, for example. I may tell her, I say, B, I saw my juggle. Maybe they're on the road and thing I explain to her, this is the work I do. But you know what that woman appreciate? If you have your own volition, like when you're out there, whatever, you give her a call. You know, have to call every time and program her and then go spoil her and then broke her bad. But she reach a point where I say, but you always call, so you never call no, right? No. But sometimes you call. Somebody dip on the road and whatever, boom, bam, 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 bam. Women appreciate them look at something there. And they know you make the effort. Worse if when they express certain things to you, you listen. And you not just listen for respond, but you listen and then by you listen and you paraphrase and you say something like you communicate to her, say you really did a listen and you really care and all them something there, whatever. All when them cuss you out and all them something there, whatever. Them think about it after, you know, and say one thing with him, you know. And when we get emotional and what him really listening, you know, yeah, man, I love that about him. Yeah, they remember. So you see, if you do that something then you shut her down all the while, that means you're emotionally unavailable to her. And you could be the nicest man otherwise. And when you not realize, no, so you think this relationship is about you being the nicest man, you know, and whatever, and you think so you put your all in it. But no, you're emotionally unavailable to her. And when that distance is there, you and I in the same place, you know. When all have sex, you know, and everything, you know. Talk good and joke, you know. But she's detached. Because you did not provide that emotional security for her. So enough people, enough man, I juggle them with in a relationship. I want to do the tough guy, macho thing and whatever, this and that. And again, being emotionally unavailable to the woman, and she reach a point where she check out. And you don't know what she check out. And if she check out, they start to go through this slow, meticulous process where them start weigh the pros and the cons of the relationship. Them start weigh the pluses and the minus. And sometimes that will make them a little bit more available to somebody else. Them not run go sleep with the person, you know, but we usually start, them reach a man who them can talk to, a man who listen to them, a man who care about the side of them and whatever and all these things. And what can happen is a slow separation that at some point culminating something happen and some big something go down. And then she say, I don't want this anymore. And then you like, you know, in your ignorance now, you think like, oh, this just happened. How you reach this so? You don't want this anymore. Just because my so and so and whatever and this and that. No, it never just happened. She been a think about it and I process it the whole time. She been a watch you and reach a point where she just allow you make you do your thing. And right there, so now you have to start focus on all what you do for her and she ungrateful and all of these things and whatever. And she don't check out long time. When woman tell man say them left them, it's not at that point them left them. Them left them long before she tell you. Because most women, when them ever left a man, them not tell him right away. Then go through this one long process and thing. You know, worse if she and him there for a while. And ruminate about it and thing and slowly and kind of back and forth and thing and whatever. So when a woman, when something happen, some cussing or something disagreement come up and you think it's about that singular disagreement very often, and when she say I can't bother with this anymore, I'm done, I give up, I'm done, and now your mind is like, wait, where that come from, where you say that? It's not at that point it come on. It did go on from a string of things where she watch you for a long time, where you never did a hold your own with from long time, where you weren't being as responsive to her as you should have been for a long time, and it just culminated at that moment. When women tell man say them done, at the time when them tell man say them done, that is not when they make the decision. The decision they make long before that. You just never know. Anyway, if you're over here, if you watch this thing, follow me right now. Follow me right now. See that women build cases against you and add up everything. Yup. Know that. All right. All right. Listen, if you watch a show, follow me right now. If you watch a show and you don't follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Okay. Wow. I'm sorry. There's so many women, being affirmative about what I was saying. I want woman. Somebody say, yes, Raga, I'm me this now. Yep. Okay. All right. Breakup mix-up. Any mix-up involving a breakup one thing. What time? Right, 9 o'clock already. I saw it come on the show run, you know, sometimes look at things come up and thing and whatever. Yeah. You understand? Okay, let's go. Break up, mix up, or any other mix up one I've said that. Hello.
Evening, Raga.
Greetings. Where going?
Mine and really no mix up, but it was just a situation where
All right.
when we much younger, I talk to this army man.
Yeah, speak a little louder, yeah.
Bigger man than me.
Yeah.
And I normally used to go to Heart Trust in Stony Hill.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes when we go home on weekend, I don't want to go home, so I normally go bounce with him.
Mm-hmm.
So I remember, normally me go, things happen.
Mm-hmm.
Because I thought go on and things.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So one weekend, me at school and me not feel good. Me dey on my cycle and pain.
Mm-hmm.
So I said to me, say, come down, man, nothing wrong. You normally come when you're alright, so if you come that time there.
Mm-hmm.
I go the Friday evening after school. The Sunday, if you go back at school, Sunday evening come so bored. Because come from St. Elizabeth.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember him work schedule, because he work up park camp, so him work schedule is like most of the time him not did it.
Mm-hmm.
So me remember the Sunday morning he come and me did it and we reason or whatever sitting and did it. But normally you go look for your little man and you go back, you get your little change or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
They go back.
Mm-hmm.
And Mr. Raga me did it and when me ready to go back to school now. The man say, he might follow me, go put me on taxi out of the front of the Campview apartment. You know, if you know Campview apartment, you come out of the main there, so if you up our Camp Road there, so if you take something,
Oh
go
yes,
cross road.
yeah, man. I know, yeah.
Alright. And me say, when the man follow me, we live 4-story up. So him follow me go way down at the bottom, the ground floor. And the man said to me, say, you know, say me left something in a room and a searching pocket. The man go upstairs and me turn down there, wait. Can't see man a come raga. Me a call him phone in a answer. I go back at the apartment door because I know where me a come from. And I knock the door. The man answer me, you know. Raga, until this day, don't bless me eye back on the man. The man left me just like that for me find me way go home.
No, sir. Me not believe that. Something else did happen. Cause something else must did happen. Something else must did happen.
Raga, me not tell no lie. Me say the man leave me. Me go back at the apartment. Me call him phone in answer. Me go back at the apartment. Me knock on the door. Him no answer.
But what you do?
So,
what you did do?
Me not do nothing. So me no know what. Me not do nothing.
What? No. I could back up. You stay there every weekend, right? You know, and no go home and thing or whatever.
Right.
So even when you know, say, at a time of the Monday, you out of your discretion, you just make him know up front, say, Ray, boom, right?
Yeah, because me no want me to go and him expect no.
Right. And then him volunteer the information and say, nah, man, come
Yes,
in,
him say
man.
you
I
can
want me
come,
to you.
right.
It's not even about that. Yeah, if you're there, you know that I go run, but, you know, basically, I say, I want to you, I'm a woman. You're a woman when you see a period too. I want to you, if we're not, even when we're not do nothing. So you know you go no, because you probably all respect him when him say that, no?
Yeah, because me say a good man that
A good man
that
that.
time they want me around him.
So no make me need to find out. So when you go there now, which day you go there?
I went there the Friday after school,
The
Friday evening.
The Friday evening after school. And you there till when?
The Sunday, before I go back to school, the Sunday evening.
The Sunday
So we
evening.
spend the Friday night, the Saturday night.
All
But
right.
him never sleep there the Friday night because he did at work.
Oh, and then what happened the
So I'm the
Saturday?
one did it. So the Saturday now him come home in like the midday part.
Yeah,
And you know, you say I come from working tired and sitting, so you know, say come in bed, taking shower,
yeah.
we dey lie down. Me make sure say me look about something because me always cook.
Right.
And him eat.
And him eat. And what, during that time, we not talk good and everything?
Yeah, we are talk good. We are put on movie because me love movie and me I watch movie and him did a glimpse pan it till him doze off.
Yeah. And then him
Wake
drop
up the
asleep the
Sunday
Saturday
breakfast
night.
same way.
Get up the
Yeah,
Sunday
him sleep
breakfast. Yeah. And then what now after that now? And then
You hear
time.
me say when I ready, me get ready if you go back to school now, I say my father me go put me on taxi.
And I saw now him come out and follow you downstairs.
Yeah.
And then when he reach downstairs, him say him forgot something.
Yeah, he might go back up at the apartment.
And when he go back up to the apartment, you don't see him come back down.
Me no see him come, so me I wonder why, so me go back up there.
You go back up there and you knock on the door, the same door that you have been every weekend since you and this man are there.
Right.
And you go back up there, the same door to the apartment where you did in for that entire weekend to all when him never did it. And when you knock and think the man no answer nothing.
Him no answer.
And then after that, when you say no knowings to you after that either?
Me say I call him phone, he no answer. Nothing at all, Raga, but guess what? After that, good couple years after, because I'll tell you, say, that's why I not like soldier. Me not mix up the whole of them, you know. You have a good one and you have a bad one.
Right.
But
Well,
me
I
not
don't know
like
when soldier
soldier.
from the experience.
No, sir.
Years after that, what
And
happened?
me meet one next soldier guy and he said to me, say, me I ask him if he know the person. Me ask him if he know the person because him a big man up there too. And
Yeah.
he tell me yes, because me know him full name.
Yeah.
Me know what rank he did in a.
Mm-hmm.
And the man say, yes, me know him in India prison. And me say, more than why you can't make me go look in his face. And like him I say, no, I want. And me I tell him what happened. And him I say, all right then, me okay and tell him say, you're my wife. And me say, no, sir, me not bother with that because though hatred don't me have for him, me no want to see him.
Mm-hmm.
Until that day, me not see him and all now.
You know, sometimes I have some friends. Sometimes them have a look because I'm someone of I'm a thinker. You know, sometimes I
Yeah.
process stuff. You know, and I like to be able to explain things. Right, I'm not an explainer in general, but I like to be able to explain things to myself. Now, and I like to be able to explain them even if they're hypothetical, meaning me no know what happened, but me can say, say I could have this, or I could have that, or I could have so and so. Me like that something there. And sometimes you come upon some simple little things, that just boggles your mind and you cannot generate an explanation. And this is one of them. I find this in its simplicity to be one of the strangest, most ridiculous things I've ever heard that a man do. But I'm sure there is some reason for it. We don't know it, but I'm trying to think of what would the reason be that would have him tell us, say, you can't come. Him
But
tell us, say, you
listen,
can't come,
Raga.
and then I
Listen, Raga.
interact with you good over the weekend and just do that. Anybody I listen that, I said, no, something must did happen now. Why would I tell you come and stay the weekend and think and then choose for left? It was, even if him didn't want to left, it was a perfect time for us to tell us, say, you know, about coming, or whatever, What happened?
But Raga, after, even me tell us me meet the next soldier guy.
Yeah.
Him said to me, say the man married and having kids, them and something, and the man wife did their foreign. So to me, if he say maybe I come, them that come back and he just want cut off with me and that him do. Because him tell me, say him have a family. And I never know long time we did a talk for neither, so me wouldn't know.
Oh, well, that makes sense now. You see what me I tell you, say, now we have information which say it could be that. You follow me? I say?
Yeah.
You don't know definitively what it is. I me only see you, me don't know either. But now you give us some information now we say, oh, it could be something related to that. So, it start to make sense now. Even though the way him done it with you was because you say him usually give you a look at chain before you leave. So him never give you nothing that weekend there.
Me say Raga, him no give me nothing, me end up walk go cross road and go to the ATM go draw me money if I go back to school.
Oh God. And back at
Because me never
school.
have no fear for me.
And that was where? School was where?
In Stony Hill.
In
Stony Hill
all the
Academic.
what time of the day or night him they bring you downstairs?
No man, it wasn't late because normally anytime after 12 I can check in back at school on Sunday evening. So me leave in the afternoon. It wasn't late.
Boy, no, well, I'm cool though. That's the type of thing you do to a woman who go on with something upon you and you say, you don't even make her rise and you just cut her off and she don't even know, say you know certain thing and mash up her head. You understand? I them something that, them something that like me would do. It's like, a woman will do you something or whatever and you find out and you're 100% sure. You know why, man? I mean, you think all is well, you just cut it off and think I'm mad at her. Well, back in the day. But when I say you never do nothing.
At that him do. And I know him alone, regular police, me not like neither, because the same thing, similar something police do me.
What you mean?
I talk to policeman at Crossroad Station, me meet him all the while, and me don't know the man right name. When me not hear from the man, I go station, go ask with the man, nobody know what the name so. So
no, well,
me get it from police and me get it from soldier.
no, but would you believe?
Every time I dem meet him.
Would you believe what you just identified though? Is a policeman do it. So you go there, ask Patrick, and I say, no, Patrick no work, no, Patrick Thomas no work.
No work the name, so me I tell him car where man drive and how him man say, then say nobody no work the name, so.
What you probably do have a station there?
They know that are the thing?
Yeah. You ever see me in police uniform?
Never yet. All the while I go to see my coat in a plain clothes.
Well, no, man, no.
Button up shirt.
Well, all the while you go where you see me come on a plane, where? What a Crossroad police station?
Yes, I me always meet him.
They always meet him. I say, you see him come out there. Okay, all right. But you know what is funny? You said I name something there. Believe it or not, a woman do them something they mostly do, Yeah, man, a woman, yeah, give man different name. Me have a friend back in Jamaica, whatever. She said, I find this funny. Listen to this. I find it really funny. She says she have 3 names where she work with separate from her name. And she say, if a man really sexy and nice and whatever, this and that, but she not run up in him and whatever, and thing, she said she would give him Ashley. And she said, well, the other one was like, she had 2 other names, but she said the middle one was like, if him just like, she don't really know nothing, I know it could have been either here or there, he may get Jennifer, right? And if it's somebody who she don't have nothing to do with, him get Sandra. So she said, anytime she go anywhere, and if a man come to her and say, Sandra, what more? She know she has a man, she know not with a man or whatever. But if him say Ashley, she know like, yeah, him to get some look. So a woman always with the name thing and whatever. But so what you say when you go back over there, him them just cut you off.
Yeah. So
What?
me not have no luck with them.
You don't have no luck. You don't have no luck with uniform
No,
man.
sir, me not look back on them. Me not, uniform man, them a stylist, Raga. Enough of them. You see, when they rate you. But
Yeah.
none of them are stylists. Because even after that, me meet one ex-policeman and I hear me on my phone. I talk to my girlfriend about money transaction. And right away, as in drop me off, so. Because I come from and like, yes, me want a ride. And by drop me off, so I reach home, not even 5 minutes, him a go text me, say, if me can do him a favor. Me say, what kind of favor? If me can lend him some money. Me nah no luck with them.
But so if you don't have no luck with them, just curious. You know, how is it you always end up interacting with them, you know?
No, it's only 2. Like they say, it's not all the time.
Oh,
Because
okay.
the soldier was only one time.
Who
I've
goes
never-
one time? Okay. And
Soldier called to me not see them.
you not see them, so you
They
just
say
done.
police now, after the police did do that,
Yeah.
since me, you know, I don't know and something me meet that the one day. But me not have nothing to do with them. Nothing to do
Okay.
with them.
Okay. Yeah, Jamaican women generally have some interesting thing to say about the uniform men them down there. All right, then bless up yourself, yeah.
Yeah, man, all right. Take me down, Raga.
Yeah, man, cool.
All right.
Anybody who watch the show, you know, follow me yet, follow me now, no? Follow me now. Follow me right now. Nah, man, she couldn't lend him the money. She never lend him the money. Yeah, I mean, me never ask her, but me not think she lend him. For those of you who are ask. All right, follow me right now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now, you know? Munchie says she will go with plain clothes. Where say Munchie, you love plain clothes policeman? What? At this you there? All right, let's see what I go on here. So now. Break up, mix up. We get some interesting ones since night. Hello. 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 Break up, mix up. Any mix up involving you in a breakup or anybody else in a breakup and thing, make we hear it. Any drama will go down. You know what a man they do? Hey, are some dangerous people them they do, another man they will just bring her downstairs and make her no wise and thing and just go back upstairs and I eat that. It done right there so. And she don't even know. But she never do nothing bad or whatever. So when just leave her in an unsafe position. So anyway, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what go on?
Yes, Raga, good night. Mama salt with uniform and them do.
What you say? She sat with the uniform man. Eh? Talk up no man. Hello. Bring in somebody else. What's up? What's up? What's up? Greetings, good night. Good night. Hello? I know this person. Hello? Hello? Key, I'm not hear you, you know. I don't know. I want to go on this and try bringing somebody else. Hello?
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
Yeah, man. I want to come mix up, yeah.
Yeah.
Way back then when me was a young girl, you know?
Yeah.
This man from Spanish Town, one of them scheme.
Yeah.
So the man invite me over. He said I can come spend the weekend with him because lady, I go out of town. So, hey, me
Now him say you can come over the weekend because film woman I go out of town.
Yes.
Okay.
So me now with my little country jiggy self,
Eh.
well pack bag and me gone.
Yeah. You got a yard.
Yes, man.
Yes. Because they like him. Right?
Okay. In the night, after we do the do and sit and lay down there, so we watch TV and all them something, then we hear grill a pole.
Yeah.
So me say to him, oh, we grill a pole. Him put him finger upon him mouth like he might have for sure. So me,
Yeah.
when the man peep through, take time pull the window
Yeah.
and look. No, the woman park up in the driving lot and come in.
Yes, man.
Lord Jesus Christ. No, the only door when they dip on the house when I have no grill was the back door.
The back door, right? Yeah.
But one dog down on the back.
Mm-hmm.
And the dog don't know me.
And the dog no know. Dog no. Yeah, we have a problem there. When the dog no know, you have a problem there. Yeah. Yeah, so what
Yes,
you do?
sir.
What you do?
Me now, grab my clothes
Yes.
and fly underneath the bed with my bag and everything.
Jesus.
So he said, listen to me. When she come in, don't say nothing. Just stay under the bed until when probably she got in the bathroom and somebody let you through the back door and cure your fear, make you go on. We may get bust now if you come all the way back a country.
Mm-mm.
Me know, you know what we do because me a panic and I'm a little maga country girl, you know.
Mm-hmm.
No, nothing. Me under the bed, and the woman that never go to bathroom. The woman chatting till they finally go to bed. And the two of them upon the bed. Raga bit never tell me what.
Then go sort out. Eh?
I said me if you under the bed and listen to them. Oh God. I said me if you under the bed and listen to them because me can't get up, come over, go pull the door if you go through the back.
Okay.
So me have to wait under the bed about 1 minute to about 4. Me just asleep on that bed, you know.
You drop asleep under the bed?
Yes. Me don't have no choice because me can't come out. Because it was a one-room studio at the time. We have the bedroom right there, so the little bathroom and the little kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Then, but she not up on the bed. She not up on the bed.
Yeah, she up on the bed, but me underneath the bed.
No, but me I say even when them done, you never. Even when them done, she stay up on the bed when them done. She never go bathroom or nothing when them done.
Even if she did sitting there, couldn't get up, you could pull the door fast enough to let me out.
Oh, so you
Because
sure you drop asleep there, sir?
I would more like sleep. I would like I watch and
Yeah, buck little bit and think. I don't sleep and think. You don't even want to look a heavy snore. Nah, nothing this. No. Okay.
So you see now the 5 o'clock now look like she get up to go work.
Yeah.
And she go to bathroom and bed. At that time, then me come out of the house.
So
So when she in the
about what
bathroom
time you
again,
did
them
go
down
and
at
die bed? About what time you go and die bed?
this about some minutes to 11.
You go and die bed. And
Yeah.
you bounce about a 6 hours and die bed they don't.
Oh God, man. Mr. One of the longest time that I ever spent my whole life in a one place.
The longest time that you ever spent in a one place and no move and thing.
Yeah.
You under
Now
there
when
with
she come out in the morning and go in the bathroom now, like she a go bathe and whatever, him put me through the back door and shield the dog.
and
And I
she
so come get to put on my clothes out the door and taxi vehicle start run
yeah.
and him give me a money and me catch a vehicle and me go. I say, you see, when me and him buck up again, I dog him like a dog. I never talk to him again.
I never talk to him again.
No.
Why you dog him like a dog? Why?
Yeah, because you should have tried in every way to get the woman if I even go back out the door or something to let me out. Suppose she did say she a go under the bed for something.
So you say him should have be a little bit more creative to get her out or something like so.
In your place, me there, you know the ins and outs. So make a way if you make me come out of your place.
And at the same time, some of the responsibility depend on you too, don't?
In some sense, me never sure.
You're not sure? Me gonna make you sure, yeah?
Alright, oh.
Listen to me. Once a man tell you say, but woman whom I live with, she not go there for the weekend, so you can come over, come spend that weekend here with me. You made a choice there, you know. You made a choice to go into a woman's space based on what the man said, but it's your choice. Right? Let me be a little bit clearer what happened, right? Because there are women who, even if them know, say, yeah, I'm having woman here something, but me like him or them know them I get out of it or whatever. So, yeah, and they make me know say I'm having woman and them respect that and them I work with it. Most women in that position, you know, what them I go say is, yeah, me know you say she not go there, but me not go to your yard with, whatever, me could go hotel.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But that thing so far, you know.
Yeah, but like you said, them time they were, like a country girl and thing and whatever. You don't know the road.
I was a young, naive girl, you know.
Yeah, so you just do what the man say. You just do what the man say.
Go spend weekend and live good and all these very things.
Yeah.
Nothing about that.
Mm-hmm. The other thing though, where you see that under the bed something there. I don't know, you know. I don't know. Well, you're hearing this from somebody who had to go hide in a wardrobe one time. So, I don't know. So, I guess I can't hypocrite up the thing. One time is a wardrobe, I go in her. You know, wardrobe, standing wardrobe, I go in her, right? That a time girl with our big top uptown man with his gun in her room. And there's a wardrobe in her. I'm bending up my face like I never want to go in the wardrobe. And she said, you have to go in there. He has a gun. And whatever, I'm just bend up my face and go into the wardrobe and lock that and stay in there and listen to them and shell down the place out there, right? So, but you see that under the bed something there. My fear is if you get catch under the bed, where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? If somebody is swinging, they can shut them and just swing him and shit under the bed and it still will catch you, you know.
That's why I made it under there so in and out of everything because I say if this woman bend down and look underneath the bed, because there was no other place to go.
Well, I'm afraid that I'm under the bed something there, you know. But give thanks, you know, because you come. So hold on. So when you did listen when you all listen them I start up, I know some careless sometime with something. So for them start out and think, it did compare to your start up based on what you hear.
Oh, you know me a young girl already. I gonna left my stamp.
You gonna left your stamp, so your thing did up, don't?
Yeah. I remember say she be knowing, you know, so him know every cribs and corner.
You never know every cribs and corner, and them time that you're a young, strong, fresh country girl and thing, body ripe and strong up and all.
Yeah. Man and me
So for them thing was not to compare to your thing, though.
No.
Not your thing did up, though. Yeah, but you have to spend the rest of the night and I bed and push out early, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. One time when I did that Jamaica, I used to keep up my foolishness. I used to just say, big up all of the women who have daylight ratings, you know, because, yeah, some of the women anytime when I go to the man yard and have to live before day, you understand, when I don't have daylight ratings or veranda ratings, you understand? No, I mean, you say some of them don't even have window ratings. When you have the man yard and not pass the window, you have to bend down.
Mercy.
You know, can't make the name of them soon over there and all these things. I God. All right, big up yourself here.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool.
Yay.
All righty. So I go down the line, you know. Follow me. If you're watching the show right now and you're not following Ragashanti, just follow me right now. Just follow me right now. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. Smiley Roxy, I want to hear your wardrobe story. Nah, man, we did the Jamaica National School of Drama. And at that time, it's now called Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. But at that time, it was called the Cultural Training Center, CTC. And I was an acting major at the Jamaica School of Drama. But you had 3 other schools there, the Jamaica School of Dance, the Jamaica School of Music, and the Jamaica School of Art. Now, the Jamaica School of Art students, there were a lot of students over there who were like these kind of rich, uptown, wealthy Jamaicans, you know, like white Jamaicans too and whatever. And when me did a school of drama now, I was a bit of a star boy. Anywhere I go, I kind of stand out, you know. And any institution I did, I always stand out and everybody know me, I do well. And this, you know, young lady, she take a look liking to me, but proper uptown, you know. And what we would have called, what we Jamaican call, not to be derogatory, but what we Jamaican call Redkin. Right, you know, Jamaican white, but Redkin. But anyway, so boy, a star boy have a school of drama and thing, you know. Me, when I remember a youth named Bones in a Lime Tree Lane, his real name is Mark Martin. Me and Mark Martin, we got the leads, you know, we get leads, you know, to play them and all these things and whatever. So it was, you know, me and him would stand out, you know, and thing. And she take a liking to me and thing. I'm not lie. Remember I said, them time, you know, August told me they, you know, proper ghetto youth, you know, grew up, you know, in a real ghetto type of sitting, you know, right? And the only time I didn't know about some uptown people was from Calabar and the church, and we did go East Queen Street Baptist Church. But me and the uptown people, I'm never par. We just know them. But me know who uptown people was and me around them. So, you know, so when this uptown Jamaican girl take a liking to me, you know, and thing, I spend for me too and all these things and whatever, you know. Because she did into this, you know, come in, you know, it funny and, you know, known and full of joke. We can make her laugh, you know, laugh. And she loved that and thing and whatever. So me and her a reason. And there is a little thing. It's like when you come from ghetto, and you're a ghetto woman, you make your move. But when you're just a boss among certain type of people, it's my same confidence thing, you're a little bit more cautious, you know? The extreme of that is, I know some footballers in Jamaica, when them there with them woman them from them era, Arnett Gardens and whatever, them deal with them rough and whatever, but then when them there with uptown woman, them treat them like queen and never put them on them and them something. But there was something going on there and whatever, somebody just kind of, you know, not as forceful or whatever. So one day, you know, she said no, because she very, you know, she was kind of, she speak her mind in a kind of pleasant uptown way. So one day she was like, I would like to take you home. I would like to take you home tomorrow, you know? It's kind of weird. You know, when I said, take me home tomorrow, I said, what you mean? I said, yeah, where I go on right, you know, I know I feel no way, you know, but who you live with or what? Who did it or what? And you know, man come from get you're cautious, you know. So she said, no, I'm live by myself. It's my parents' house. Our parents was abroad and them left the house and whatever. I said, oh, for real? And she said, yeah, but then she said Vineyard Town. Now, back in the day, Vineyard Town was uptown, but them time the Vineyard Town wasn't uptown, you know, it was a mixture, you know. So I said, so which part of Vineyard Town, like a white Jamaican would I live? Because, you know, white Jamaicans don't really live in Vineyard Town. Back in the day they did, but at that time, so I said, all right, I'm good. So I said, she said she alone and Ray. So in my mind, I say, okay, I don't know, step by area, you know. Because you have some area you can't go in there go date the woman them, you know. The man them come and shot in you and say, you know, from when I look at a woman there and you come get her and you come in at the area and whatever. Yeah, so then, you know, kind of cautious them man there because you don't know so we say the street. So I say, yeah man, well, Vineyard Town, I say I go anyway. I'm going to go some boom and roll up there and thing and whatever and map out the place and I say, but this looks safe, man. And whatever, you know, kind of drop my guard and go in there and whatever and thing like that and whatever. And as soon as I go in, as soon as I step in, you know, I go and move to me and thing. I never itch. And we go on with one bag of something where young people go on with. And thing and whatever. I'm done, you know. I relax and easy and whatever. And then I mean first see the car, you know. I see the car pull up out in front, you know. I mean first see the car. I mean really see the car and I look out, you know. But she never see the car, whatever and thing. I look on the car, you know, proper Benz, you know, big Benz and thing and whatever, you know, brand new late model Benz and whatever. I see a man come out, but a big man, you know, big man with him big belly, but you can't know them big rich money man there. You can't just pick up, you know. I mean, I'm paying no mind, but I see him come out. But I see the man that come to the gate. So I say, me I say to her, you know, but she redkin, not white, but you know, white Jamaican with, you know, she a blonde hair, whatever, but it, you know. But the man, dark skin and a big man. So I say, yo, who else living at the house here and whatever? She said, nah, me alone there, no. But I say, so a man come here like him, I come to so. And she said, oh my God, Jesus Christ. I'm going to say, what? She said, Jesus Christ, I'm dead. I said, what you mean are you man? You know, woman with them BS. Oh, I talked to him. Like, you talk to him? What do you mean you talk to him? Boy, you talk to him. Anyway, just like, oh, I talk to him. I say, you talk? I say, are you man? So I say, you want him there? Yeah, you know, we spend time. She now come out and say it, you know. So, but come on, know who me I deal with, you know, because if I know a man, then, you know, you can hold your hard and you're going to know for govern yourself, but you need to know if I'm a man. Because if I'm a man, I'm going to behave certain way different and whatever. I might move to me different. Because I'm going to say, yo, you shell out my woman. A man will kill you for them woman with them something there. And whatever. So, if I'm button, give me them ambiguous answer there. So me just put on that exterior there, you know. You get in another zone there now where you have to defend yourself now. So me I say, yo, where back door it? And whatever. She said, no, there's no back door unless a lock off. But my big house, you know. So me I said, but the back door for lock off? And she said, it can't open. I know me don't even understand what go on, you know, because me come through on the veranda on the front in a one room. Probably she don't even went name there in the house, you know. Probably she don't even have the one house or whatever. I don't know. They must have left her in another one room there and block off everything. But she said, me can't go through the back door. The window grill up. So I just the front door, but remember, bossy, I come up to the front door, you know. So right away, me must read the play and me just bend up my face, you know. Anything, you know, you get in another zone then because you know, so you have to defend it. But, you know, them time they, in my mind, you know, I now walk out like a little bitch, you know. I now walk out like a punk, you know. I go out like a man. Yeah. And if you want to say anything or whatever, some of those gangster up myself and grab up my clothes and put on my thing and whatever. And she said, what are you doing? You can't go through the front door. Come put on my clothes fast, you know. Come I walk slow, I come. It's a good distance, man. She said, you can't go through the front door. I said, what do you mean I can't go through the front door? I said, he has a gun and he'll use it. So, I not lie, me catch me afraid. You know, I never not going and thing. Me a young youth in a school and whatever and thing over here. So I decide to make a run through the door. And if him be two shot off of me, then so be it. And she said, no. She said, I've been to the range with him and he's very good. People, you know, say me catch me afraid, but me not sure say me afraid, but you know, my mind, I say, blood clot, me dead now. Me dead now, Tarati, look how me come dead over front. What this and that and whatever, you know, but you know, the face dead the same way, you know, man. I talk to me, I say, I hear me, oh, anything I go through. She said, don't, you will die, don't go through there, whatever this and that. And some forgot, she said, go in the wardrobe, go in the wardrobe. I said, go in a which blood clot wardrobe? Go in a which wardrobe? Me not go in a wardrobe. That's my big man, I'm a gangster. I'm not going to no wardrobe. If you don't go in the wardrobe, he's going to shoot you. I hear me. I open the wardrobe. Man, I know what I say. When we go in a wardrobe now, she have some little bag at the bottom, right? But you don't know a wardrobe still, you have the hang up clothes and hanger, but you know, sometimes you have the draw them at the bottom, but the draw them at the bottom have a little top where people put things. So she have some bag there with different things. So I have to go up on top of them there, you know? So I go up on top of them there and the dress them hang up and things. So I did it and queen jump in the wardrobe and she lock it quick. Yeah, people on the boy in the wardrobe. Them still make wardrobe? Wardrobe still make? But like, because wardrobe is a very British thing, you know. But I don't really see wardrobe America. Wardrobe not the America. Wardrobe still make? People say yes, yeah. No, I mean, you know, people use closets here. Them not use wardrobe. But in India, I'm a queen joke, man. I tell you I'm a queen joke bad, you know. In a wardrobe and dead, and the man come in and thing, and you can't, I listen, you know. Because I say, any other man I want me to do, I kick him down and run through the door, you know. Any other wardrobe I run, and kick him, you know. And if I see the gun, I take a gun and dash away. I'm done plan out my thing already, you know. I'm in the man. I'm here boss come in and thing and whatever and them a talk normal like nothing. You can just know say a regular the dog there, you know. She never tell me about the man, you know. You understand? And him dead there and him go bathroom and then him come in back and whatever and thing. And yeah, I mean I think when him go bathroom I could have run out, but she never say nothing, man. Just stay in there and thing and whatever and then him come and yeah. And then him come. Anyway, them go on with them thing. I ain't know say. I've never been in a position. Remember, say me a Jamaican, you know, youth, so you know you grew up, you wrote certain things and them time there. Some things were like it's nothing to know, back then them thing, whatever. So me and the man I face up to the matter, you know. The man I face up to the matter, and you know that little girl out there, me don't know if I hype him or whatever, but it look like whatever him did I do, it did I connect, you know, with the little facial when him a give her, you know, man. No, him did I get the facial, you know, man. And me I tell her that girl make sound nice out there, you know. Then time me did I like her, you know, me I tell her, bun me, see, man. And me I say, me just kind of get some saving grace, well, at least him a face the matter, me never did face the matter, you know, so that them do and whatever. But you know, you watch them thing upon blues and whatever, you know, in a wardrobe, and listen somebody I do it with some girl where you like or whatever, thing like that. And me sit down the man and hear the man deal with that and whatever. Then after I'm done now, them go on with them thing upon bed. And at one point now, me think say them did still, unfortunately, you can't hear everything. So, me in the wardrobe. So you can hear the squishing sound when, well, you know, when it actually happen. But sometimes them change position, you know, and then you start your squishing sound again, you know. So you know, so some kind of change go on with them pause. or somebody come out of the living room and then gone back in the living room. So yeah, process the squishing sound. And then you could all, it was close enough to know how the squishing sound over this and now, oh, down this and that. And then one time, I don't know what happened, but you hear silence, and then him attack right next to the wardrobe. I frighten you frig. But I done them done, and he must just walk over there and talk. But for me, all me hear was silence, and then me hear the voice right at the wardrobe and thing, man. Me I tell you something, get booming, man. Anyway, the boss do him thing and whatever, and you know, couple hours him spend there, you know. And then him after that him put on him clothes, him never beard. Never beard him too. And put on him clothes and him leg and whatever. And you know, say, after the man leave, this girl, I go open the wardrobe and look for me, and the first thing come out, oh my God, I love you so much. Thank you for being so understanding. I love you so much. Thank you. And she hugged me and whatever. And I said, this blood clot girl, you fool, she take man fighter. I idiot, she take man fighter. Ah, God, yeah. Then after that, no. Yeah, what did go on after? Come, he just want to leave, you know? And she didn't want me to stay, and I just never want to stay. And yeah, me and I still deal, but you know them look at thing they were, okay, you know what is what now, so you know if you govern your thing, you know? So it wasn't a problem with me, because me know say she's not my girl, right? She having fun, and me I have fun too, so we're having fun. Yeah, we're good, we're young people that have fun. So no feelings I catch, no jealousy and whatever. When we meet, it was our time. When we're not together, me not catch feelings and own nobody, you know. From them time, I govern my thing them way there, you know. So that was my little wardrobe mix-up, you see me? What that go? Nah, man, that's the wrong thing she said. Like, I guess I guess she said, boy, thank you for, you know, for kind of wallet and thing. Perhaps, like, we know this embarrassing for you, probably hard, and, you know, your wallet or whatever, but it was more along the lines like, okay, him gone now, let me get you back on that level, you know, when we want you, type of thing, you know? Them look at something there. Better. No, I'm gonna sound weird. Since me come America, I'm not seen a wardrobe. Nah, man, we juggle after that. But when I say we juggle after that, but you know, so anytime I talk to them youth, and I say, yo, one thing woman always say, yo, just straight up with me and just tell me all your things set, so I know what I deal with, and it's my choice. If I stay night with you, me stay night with you. And there's a woman there, you know. Sometimes a woman say, yeah, you know what I deal with. I know where you get out of it, and you know why you would stay. Or you know, say, okay, you know that you're not going to stay with a person or whatever, boom, bam, bam, bing. But women handle that better than men, you know. And you know, some people them get in another position and them start trying to prove something. The worst thing you can do in them thing is prove something. Is either you leave because you can't manage it, or if you go stay, you know what you deal with. So, yeah, you and the person can juggle as long as, you know, both parties are in them own way upon the same plane, like, you know. So in a fair mind, it's like, oh, him don't know about that man there already. So, you see me say Ray, and she said, no, you can't come sat there. Me not ask some more question. Right? And me not make no demand. Right? Because me assume that she a govern her thing. Me never go back at the yard. Right? But, you know, I mean, I say, when you know you're dealing and the person know you're dealing, and if you want to stay night, you stay night. The person wants to stay night. But from you know, don't fool yourself. I try to change the person or whatever. If you enjoy yourself and keep your mouth. Shut your mouth. Right? And at the same time, you have to still protect her. So nobody enough to know no business. And she for protect me. You understand? You protect the man. I always say that. You protect the woman and the woman for protect you. And it was not juggling and fun and have fun. And when it done, it done. Don't fool yourself about it. You see it? Yeah. What I say? Raga, you made a good choice. Benz man always a go win. Oh, you mean? No, Benz man with license gun. Them time the license gun wasn't even a thing in Jamaica. You know, license gun could be like nothing now at Jamaica. Them time the license gun wasn't a thing. You know, I thought we know say it exists, but you know, there wasn't a proliferation of license gun and whatever. So when somebody have a license gun, them time then them man they are big man, you know. Them time they you know say your thing up there, you know. So when I go fool myself and whatever, yeah, juggle with a rich Benz man and thing with license gun. The license gun was a big deal in time there. Me not fool myself about that. So if you like me, it means that me and you look a plaything. Yeah. And if me want to go and be a plaything, yeah, cause this is fun, you know. Them time the man are youth, you know. You understand? Well, what, 19, 18, 19, 20, them time, you know. Yeah, I was about 19. So I don't care, you know, just a go and thing. You know, them, I never really get in the hype that way. You know, you have some man from ghetto like, oh, you know, say me I dig the big man woman there. Ghetto man, them love that something there, you know. Right? You see, for woman, they would like a star or a DJ or a politician or a top man or what. You have some man enjoy that. Me I dig him woman, you know. I was never about that thing or whatever, you know. My thing was just like, yo, just balance your thing, man. If you are juggling thing and, you know, yeah. You know. And if she know if move and I run her mouth and go chat, then you go and do your thing. If she look like she chat too much, cut her off. Let her go. You see? No. Them days there. Yeah. People, you know, some of the things they want to post here, you know, you think it easy. Aye, boy. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, good night, Raga.
Good night.
Raga, me have you.
Yeah, man. Talk directly on my phone here.
Okay. So Raga, me have me now left now.
Eh?
But I had a man. Me say me now left. But me had a man.
But you did
The
have a
man
other
come.
man. You did have a other man, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the man come check me. So me and him and my son the day and we cook pork. Him cook the pork. When me look Raga, no the other man come, me have to push the man and my son in the bathroom.
You push the man and your son?
Yeah, in the bathroom.
Why your son?
Because me can't lock the door. I had to push him and my son in the bathroom. Him grow with my son grow with him, you know.
Your son grew up with the what? So who you put in at the bathroom? Not the side man.
Me put the side man
Yeah.
and my son.
And your son in at the bathroom?
Raga, me never have no other choice.
Well, your son grew up with the side man?
Yeah.
But why you hide your son from your bona fide man?
Because the man is at the house and he's not supposed to be in the house.
Oh, no. No. I know, but why? How old was your son?
He was about 11 at the time.
About how much?
11.
So the reason why you put your son in there was if the man who you say you now left see your son, why you might have a problem if your son there?
The man who was there with
Yeah.
came by the house.
Is him by the house?
He came by the house.
Came by the house, right?
Yeah, but the man who left the side man, no, me and him did it and put the pork.
No, hold on. Are you on earpiece or Bluetooth or speakerphone?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, cause you again the voice I go in and out, yeah. Me look confused about the son, but go on.
Right, let me give it back to you, Raga. Me and the side man and my son was doing cooking.
Cooking, and him cook pork.
The side man cook the pork.
Side man cook a pork.
Right, the main man now come.
Main man come.
Right, so I had to put now him and my son in the bathroom. Look them up in the bathroom.
So you put the side man and your son, your 11-year-old son, in at the bathroom.
Yes.
All right. And then
So the man now, the main man come now and eat.
him eat the pork where the side man cook.
Yes.
Hold on. So when the side man in there, him hear the main man out there eating pork, no?
Yes, and the man must say, I saw it sweet, only I saw it sweet.
Well, who I say I saw it sweet? The main man I said, no, the pork is sweet, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then when him finish now, him a ask me if me a follow him go out. Tell him say yeah, but him a ask me say, carry yes, I said no. Me a go on like me coming on.
No, well, I'm not here, you know, your voice keep on a go up, man. Just start directly in my phone, yeah. So, when...
Okay, me a call out my son out of the bathroom like want him come.
Yeah.
But my son in there tell me him belly a run and can't come out.
So your son a draw a card?
Yeah, my son a draw the card because him no want put me in trouble.
Him no want put you in a trouble. The son no want put you in a trouble.
Right.
Or another side man I tell the son for say that.
He look like game did I tell him same belly around. He can't come.
Okay, all right. And then what happened?
So we eventually end up leave.
Yeah?
Yeah, and him just leave and my son was home because I'm beginning to stay by himself.
So you end up leave with the main man.
Yeah, man, me leave with the main man.
And then after you leave with the main man, what the
The
side
guy he get to left, yeah.
Oh, the side man then get to leave.
Right.
And then and your son stay.
Yeah, man, my son stay.
Okay. But I'm curious, if you don't mind me ask, you know. Given that time your son was a 11-year-old child and thing, what impact you think something like that would have had on him?
Boy, Raga never like the main man, you know.
That he never liked the main man.
Never like him.
So wait, who you say the son grew up with?
Him actually grew up with the side man. He had a son and he grew up with him and his girlfriend when they lived.
Him girlfriend when him did live with the side man?
Yeah.
Hold on. Your son grew up with the side man and the side man girlfriend when him did live with? Oh, probably I was asking too many questions. I think I know. Yo, I think you were saying, yeah, the son.
Raga, you pass.
Eh?
That you do one jump.
No, but you know, so I have to get down to it because you know, so them look a simple mistake, they mix up them when you start go down in them juicy, you know. Because you know, so we are get down in a one nether level, you know. You know.
Yes,
No, because you see me not sure it, you know. But you see when she said, nah man. And it didn't like the main man.
And the
side. No, but you see, the way how anyhow she did stay on and me and her talk further.
It's that sweeter.
No, man, and I really about sweeter though, you know. It's like there would be a lot to learn there, you know. It's like, you know, there's a lot to no, because this
Nice man, repeat me and
but listen what she said. She said the son don't like the main man, right? Right?
Yeah.
But here the thing get deep. But she said the son grew up with the side man.
And the woman.
I know she said the side man and fame woman or whatever. So there is something going on there where the man who she consider the side man, anybody else will look upon it to that say, no man, the side man, they're him are the main man.
Exactly.
Right?
So we're
Because
confused.
you know, said, you know, when you get pick the privilege and thing and whatever and them something there, you know, said the woman them rate you, and what, you know. And if him grow,
Naturally.
but if him a the side man then and then the side man live with fame woman, then she a side woman to the side man.
Me not going to the woman business.
Nah, man, no, that me I tell you
My
say the thing.
business.
And that me I tell you say the thing deep, you know. You know, she a side woman to the side man. Right? Next thing you know, you talk to all the side man, you know, who live with him woman, you know, and the side man, I go
Yeah.
say the woman who him live with a she a him side woman because a she and the other one know the real woman and the main woman.
Oh, yeah, nuclear family.
It sound to me that like the side man know from what go on. Wouldn't be surprised if the side man love she the call her more than the
Yeah.
woman who him live with because she's. Is it that interesting that somebody
That
can?
life the
No.
exciting.
You know, say, let me show you all that thing I did because sometimes some people don't understand this. You know, say you have people nah left them main person, but the person who them in love with are the side person.
Naturally.
And they would
Me did
never
in a
left them main
position.
person, but are the side person them in love with.
Me did in another situation there.
You
So till
didn't
all the
see
wife come down. So till all the wife come at the yard, come down the food and the cook.
the wife
I'll
come
go
there and
back
food
in.
where you
I'll
cook.
go back in there for seconds.
Well, then she didn't know say you there with her husband.
No, she don't know about me. She don't know about
So
me.
so oh she come at your yard and end up
And my yard, and me got the man yard.
and you got the man yard go cook?
Yeah, the man have 2 yards. So the main yard, me not going nowhere near it.
Right.
So me have my yard where him come, him yard when I go, and him come on my yard. It was a mutual relationship me and the man have.
You have
But
your
him not
yard
go.
where him will come,
Yeah,
and him have a yard where you go to,
right.
which is
But
different
the
from the
main
main
yard,
yard.
which is the family yard,
The
me
family
not go
yard.
nowhere
You not
near
go
them.
nowhere near the yard.
Yeah, so the man second yard now, me willing, me can cook, clean, wash. Basically, me live there.
So when the wife now go, so the wife know say her husband have a next yard,
She
obviously.
don't know nothing where I go and nothing. She don't have a clue.
No, but when I said the yard where she go eat the food, what she think that yard is where? Our.
I'm yard. She know about the next yard, man. I come to come visit him. Then she not walk in for we have sex with a man. I for run out. I for run out and meet her right at the curtain at the door by the bedroom. Cause she call out him name, say him run out of my front now and got the curtain. He say, yes,
No,
baby.
well on. She come there and call out fame name and you say you run out of your front. So him did have to run out of your front too. Get it?
Yeah, he
Get
must
it?
run out of my front.
Hold on. So he might run out
Run
of
out of my front just for the woman running at the bedroom pathway.
So but what on? What you mean? Me not understand. So when she come there, she see you, what she think?
She not see me. She not get a chance to see
Oh,
me.
so she never see you. So when you say
No,
you run
cause
out,
me and him dey on the bed and have sex.
right?
When she come in at the house, that at the house and me willing to come.
Yeah,
So she come to visit him.
right.
Right. So while we have sex, everything did open, the grill open, the door open, the bedroom door open, and just a curtain there.
Yeah,
So when
everything did
she step
open.
in through the grill now, me hear she call out him name.
Yeah.
So him the pan top now, him run out of me. So buck already win the curtain.
Yeah.
She say, yes, baby. And him naked.
And him naked. Oh.
Remember say we are sort out.
So she say him naked.
Yeah, she say him naked.
So where you go? Where you go?
Me staying at the house cause we did wash some clothes for him. So him have 3 blankets we did wash. And me did throw them on the side of the bed.
Yeah.
Plus some clothes.
Yeah.
And underneath that me go hide.
You go under the tree blanket them?
Under the tree blanket, them with the wash clothes, them everything. You
That,
can't stand up
well,
in the
man,
house.
wait, what you saying to me? So you go under the
Go under the tree blanket, them go hide.
Yeah.
The wash clothes, them theme wash clothes, them.
Are you
I
under?
mean, no clothes them yard, me no left nothing them yard.
So well, you didn't naked them time there?
They will not just a sort out. And when me the woman call out him name, me run go underneath the clothes them same time, cause me a old cadet, you know.
You're all cadet.
Yeah,
What you
so
say?
you know cadets can make magic work.
Listen to me,
Yeah, we are magicians.
Listen to me, man.
So, girl have to go under there.
Yeah.
One next time, I cook stew peas.
No man, well on man. So when she come in here now, what happened? When she come in at the house, what happened?
She not come in at the bedroom because him greet her at the wind at the curtain right at the bedroom door. So him just push her out while talking to her when him naked, but calm and man mouth sweet, you know.
So well on. So when she come there and she see him naked, well on man. So when she come there and she see him naked, she never find that suspicious.
No man, because him sleep naked.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Sleep naked. So, you know, him in him house. Him is a man who walk all in him yard naked.
Oh, okay.
So I want early morning because mama come out to see her husband because she on her way to work and she just stop at the next house because him end up never sleep down at the next yard the night before.
Okay.
So me come over the morning now, come give him a start out. I'm going to live next door to the second yard.
You live next door to the second yard?
Me live right next door to the yard when me welcome in.
Oh, okay, so you live right next door to the welcome yard?
Yes.
Okay. So you go over, go give my morning start out, auntie.
Start out, right. So mama a nurse, you know, so mama come see her husband the night before because she did have session.
She did have what?
She had session.
Session. Oh, work, yeah.
The night before at work, so she didn't came in early, so him just sleep up here.
Oh.
Right. So to come now on her way to work, she stop to see him to go at work. Just to say hi, babe, good morning, whatever, da. So me and him are sat out.
So she never come in the room with you under the tree, wash blanket?
She not come in the room because him a talk to her and I push her out.
I keep her out, yeah. Neatly I guide her out and thing or whatever.
Discreet about him thing. As me say, marching band man mouth sweet.
What you say, March man them mouth sweet?
March man mouth sweet.
Okay.
And them don't care. And them not no shame.
Wow. Yeah, them not care like September man, them was very, nice.
That's right.
That's right.
September girl, I not give a damn.
You not care? No, what I mean is that September man them care. September men are angels, so.
Yeah, we are. Females are angels too, We're nice, We're nice, but
well on. So him job and whatever, and then she let go and then you get for come out from under that blanket.
She left.
Okay.
She left, man.
So after she leave and gone to work now. After she leave and gone to work now and thing and whatever.
My man come in now, Raga.
And finish up the thing. Tell me something. Finish.
The man then him have to finish him work. How are you?
Oh, you mean?
Man have to finish that.
Oh, you mean? And hold on, now you draft.
As him remember when come out of the juju gum.
Jesus. Oh my God.
Then have to come back.
And it did sweet you too. Hold on. And it did sweet you.
No, but not that sweet, Raga.
What?
That not sweet yet. When the man come back in, heart a pump out fart,
Yeah.
The man push back head to the window, come back in the bedroom to me now.
Yeah.
My sister she gone, so me come from underneath the clothes them and the blanket.
Yeah.
Them come in and say to me, say,
keep it clean.
What the song go? What song go where I sing?
Which song?
What the song name again? One long time song. Reggae.
Reggae, long time song. Sound like it would be a lover's rock or something.
Just remember the song. No, man. Just remember a song a while ago. But anyway, me remember the song.
Yeah.
One second time wife come my yard, me just done cook.
Stew peas.
Stew peas me cook, man and yam pork, so you know, say a salt beef and
Yeah.
chicken foot and some corn chicken leg in
Yeah.
a stew peas.
Yeah.
When I use Lasco, we use greater coconut.
All right.
So you know stew peas well nice with some shelly basmati rice.
That's right.
Mama come from work one evening.
Yeah.
So she a come up at the yard now, come look for her husband.
Uh-huh.
So me, you know, they in the kitchen I try all up the food.
Dark looking faster. Yeah.
I want my food to get my yard, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So when mama come now, mama then I say, son, what do you cook? Them time I done and got my yard, share up my food and got my yard.
Yeah.
Mama share food and yam, then pull and belch.
Uh-huh.
Before mama go when mama sharing, they shed pan again.
Second
Say,
again.
babes, you cook the food, you're nice.
Shall I tell him, say him cook the food nice?
Yeah, come and call me right after mama gone and say to me, say, but no food no dey for you, no babes. Me say, what you mean? No food no left for me and me cook. Why if you share out the whole of food, God?
But that time, but you say you did take food though.
Yeah, me
But
take
him
food
never
but
know
one
say you did
second
take
to a
food.
stew peas.
So I still pay, but him never know. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
John, no. Real quickly before you go though, what you think about that situation? What you think, like, you know, if a man make, you know, the matey cook the food, but not make him wife know, and make him wife eat the food and think of him cook the food when the matey cook the food. What you think about that?
You know right.
You know right?
No, sir, not right.
You know,
Me feel a way about it.
yeah. But him did want to do it, so you just make him do what him do, right?
Yeah, me just make him do. All that come yam food. It's wrong. But you know, me and him never have no relationship. We just have sex.
Right.
As a married man.
Oh, as a married man, okay.
You know?
Yeah, but for have your wife, for have your, you know, your. There's
yeah, man, I did have my people, but my people come from country.
Right.
Yeah, but him now, me all have my people in my house and him come and say him want sort out and me no answer.
And you know answer, okay, cool.
Yeah, answer for a married man. Because me had to him wife.
That's all right. Big up yourself, you know, bless up here.
Alright, I got it.
Yeah, man, cool. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know. Like me say, yo, people are gonna do what they want to do, but you know, from there Jamaica, me I say, nah, man. You know me always hear me say it, like, you know, if you're gonna do it, so there's some rules I feel that. I don't know. I just, you know, you have your wife or your woman, and you're involved with somebody else. No wrong if you make that person cook, you know. But perhaps you want to govern your thing where you don't have your wife or the person who, or your woman eat from somebody who potentially cannot like her, you know, who potentially may want to harm her. But I said that happening, you know, I said who potentially, you know, somebody who is involved with, you know, the person that they say you have, you know, that there is something potentially problematic and unsafe about that, you know. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just saying that's probably a line. You know, you're going to do your thing, but, you know, if you just say, no, they're separate from her, you know. You cook for me or whatever, you know, or something along them lines. I don't know. I'm just thinking about it, and, you know, there is something a little bit off there, you know. Greetings, hello, good night. Good night. Hello. Hello. No man, the echo in my phone. No, the echo in my phone. No. Me. You have to listen, you know, because sometimes you never know. Yeah. More while you never know, you see me? Sometimes you never know. All I want to juggle with me all these years, you know, a couple of times, you know, I run up in some things, you know. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, good night, Raga.
Yeah, greetings.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
They are in a family, we are say.
Been a long time, man.
See it?
Anyway, I'm gonna tell you a short mix up for you now.
Yeah.
Back in the days, I used to be a tailor.
Yeah.
So one of my classmates came into my establishment and saw a suit that I built.
Mm-hmm.
It was a oatmeal cream suit.
Oatmeal
So he
cream
said he
soup.
like it.
Okay.
He like it and he want one like it.
Yeah.
So he asked the boy, I said, no, I said, I sell my own suit. So he said, you want to do a little thing, want to get married, but it's small.
Mm-hmm.
So you want something just like this to get married.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Raga, by this time, I was dating that man, baby mother cousin. So when he said to me that we're gonna do a little wedding, but it's small,
Yeah.
I was thinking that it was his baby mother.
Uh-huh.
So him give me a part of the money. Because I do cake and the brother stuff and all that.
Mm-hmm.
So he give me a part of the money to get the material, do the cake, and bring to the location.
Mm-hmm.
That day when, no, before I, yeah, he come up like every 2 weeks. It's after that I learned that this is what he was telling his baby mother. That he work somewhere else and he will come in 2 weeks. By this time he was staying somewhere else with a different woman to get married to. So every 2 weeks he leave that woman and come up to the baby mother.
Oh, but hold on there, but wait him there, with the wait him telling baby mother say him there for the 2 weeks.
Work.
Oh, so him work away from the baby mother, so in a fear
Yes.
mind him work away. But it's
Yes.
really the other woman him there around too.
No, that woman was from England.
Oh, that woman was from England, that are the one who him got married.
Yeah.
But him don't, but the baby mother obviously don't know about she. But him come
No,
to
not
you
at all.
now, him come to you now and want you for build the suit. But you assume say the baby mother him got married.
Yeah.
I
And at
don't
the
know.
time I was dating the baby mother cousin.
The baby mother cousin. Okay, go through now. Yeah, go on.
So I don't know what was going on until when I reached down there,
Mm-hmm.
I realized that it was somebody else that I getting married to.
Yeah.
I was lost. I would keep my mouth shut.
See.
Everything, collect my money, come back out.
Mm-hmm.
When me hear everything what take place, me have to take care of myself. Because the cousin and the baby mother, this is one of my case now, so me know everything that was going on, which at that time I didn't know.
Yeah, because you make it suit.
Yeah. And the cake.
And you do the
decoration. And the decoration of the wedding. Because that was my job back then.
You make it suit, you do the cake and do the decoration for the wedding.
Yeah. Yeah.
That the time you there with Theme, baby mother cousin.
Yeah.
So the baby mother and the cousin now move to you, your woman now, and the baby mother move to you now and say, yo, you're wicked because you did involve in it.
Yeah. I don't know nothing about that, bro.
No, but
nothing at all.
but when you find out about it is when you go down there now, figure get the suit and set up and think at that time you know say somebody else.
Yes, that's the time I saw that lady there.
But what I do? So the whole time when you make a suit, cause you can't make a suit in a 1 hour, you have to make a suit over days. You have to look
Yeah,
after the
about
kid.
a 2 weeks.
Hold on, over 2 weeks. So you never talk to your cousin about your cousin. You never talk to your woman who is our cousin about it and say so and so. Given that you assume that it was a baby mother, you never talk to your cousin about it. Talk to your woman
No,
about it who was a cousin.
no. That never came up. For some reason, we didn't talk about it.
Wow.
Because since you said it was something, I think it was like something private, so not everybody wanted to know their business. So I just keep it to myself if it's something private, so
No,
I'll
but
do it
what
for
I'm
you.
saying is
Yeah,
anybody would have assumed that your woman, the cousin, would be going to the wedding too.
Yeah, I would have known.
Yeah.
Well, there wasn't even close by anyway, now, so.
Yeah, okay.
But,
Interesting.
yeah, but after they married, now they leave. He leave because she took him out to England. Leave the baby mother and the 2 boys there.
And him just run away left them, so?
Yeah.
Him
So
just
after leaving, he was like talking to some other relatives that sorry because that lady cannot cook, she can't wash, nothing at all she cannot do.
where
And leave a
him
Jamaican woman for that woman.
where him say him go who him say can cook, clean, wash or nothing? Where him say what?
The one he married to and the English I married to.
Oh, so the British woman who bring him up and thing, him tell somebody say he make a mistake, that's what him say?
Yeah, because she can't do nothing at all.
She workless, she baffan.
Live at a restaurant and all of that.
Oh. So then but him there why him think him did like no foreign him did want go?
Maybe the money fool him.
Well, you know what I'm saying, you know. But him turn to England though, and him turn him back when him pitney them.
I don't know if he was still taking care of them, but differently he didn't came back for quite a while.
Okay. Oh wow. Interesting.
Last time he was still not doing what he can for them.
All right. Interesting. All right. Respect and blessings, yeah?
Yeah, man, cool.
Okay, cool. All right. If you haven't followed me yet, please follow me now. All right? Follow me now, right? So if you're over here watch the show and you don't follow me yet over here at TikTok, follow me right now, okay? Follow me right now. Right now. Follow me right now. Again, if you haven't followed me yet over here at TikTok, follow me right now. Charm Sweetness, big up yourself, you know, 1 SDC, done. Thank you, Charm. Thank you. You finally made it over here, done. Big up yourself, strong body, Charm, them for no, done. Firm, so. All right, let me take about 2 more calls and let go, all right? Follow me if you don't follow me yet, all right? Follow me over here. Boom. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, well good.
There, you know. Yeah.
Well, every night I listen to a program that laugh, you know.
See it there.
But I have a story to tell you.
Say that.
One time when I was a young boy, about 25,
Yeah.
I used to work at Nigel.
Yeah.
That time something I've done then time, you know.
Yeah. Stola.
Meet a girl.
Yeah.
Now she talk, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So one night me at work.
Yeah.
So I tell her, I said, boy, I can't go stay with her. She said, yeah man, long time I want to tell you, but I wait until you ask.
Yeah.
So Raga,
Mm-hmm.
me be at work and left work and come down, you know.
Yeah.
Take taxi.
Yeah.
Reach, call the girl. She come meet me.
Yeah.
My guy yard.
Oh, she carry go fear yard.
Yeah, my guy fear yard.
Yeah.
And she and her grandmother live.
Yeah.
Grandma live in one side, she live in one side.
Yeah.
So anyway, in a fear room, take off my clothes, beat one,
Yeah.
cool off. I say, I can't sleep, because just the first time I got yard.
First go yard, so you can't get too comfortable.
Yeah.
So you say you take off your clothes and you're not shot the first round and thing and you're easy back, and thing.
Yeah. Some say she got the doors. Some think she closed the door.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm in the room and the place dark.
Yeah.
So me do a push. So I say, man, say, I go to the place, man. There be a temptation of no woman, no man. So anyway, I say, I tell the people.
Yeah.
Raga, when my pants hang up one side and thing.
Uh-huh.
So I say, when I look, the granny come in the room. No?
The granny?
Yeah, so I tell my say, come my granny want something too. So I go and see there. I see granny tip on the tone Raga. And I got my pants. Within 2 hands, I go and pants pocket. You know?
Jesus God, granny is a damn thief.
Raga. Yeah. You say, look up.
Wait, what you say you do? You clear your throat and go so, oh, what?
Yeah.
What? So when you see granny you go in your pants and you clear your throat.
So Mr. Man, so she stopped, she paused.
Yeah.
And did the same time, you know.
Cause she don't know, so you sit down in the dark there and watch her, you know.
So we go again.
Yeah.
I move my head. She move back. Just back. And come out of the room. I said, I can't sleep. So in the morning about 5:30. I said, B, how are you going, man? I said, Granny come in the room. She said, my granny? I said, no, man, Granny don't do that. I said, okay. And then the next day, and I tell you where I'm Bridget will live. I'm Bridget live next door. The man said, man, next time you got there, they can silver in your pocket. I saw the girl estate. Can man go here and Granny wrap them?
So she and Granny, Jesus! Because, you know, see the thing, you know, when she dip on the bed with you in the dark, you know, you can't say how she take it, you know.
No.
You can't say how she take it because she not go near your pants.
No. And about 2 days after, I see the granny in the town. And she said to me, say, young man, what happened? I don't see up here. I said, I still come check you, man. I not go back there.
No, you know, so when you tell me to run through my mind, can I wonder, say, if granny bold enough to come for do that off of your pants, then probably granny did do something like that before.
That Bridget not tell me.
Right, so probably granny did do something like that before, and if granny do something like that before, then the man would have likely, I said, I blame she. And I said, no, but I lose the money when I go a yard and whatever, so if nothing like that not come up and thing, and when you say it to her, she said, no, sir, my granny would have never do anything like that. Right away, she said you wide. And thing then, it means, say, if granny bold enough to come over there and know, say, our granddaughter over there shell out a man. And granny probably a cock her ears and this and probably a say, can you know, see how you don't know the plan. Remember, you know, when enough man love do, you know, when them don't start out, when them do drop asleep right away, don't. Right? So, and get comfortable and drop asleep. So, at them time, the granny come in. So, granny had time the whole time. You know, granny did all see your strokes them. You know that, you know. Granny did all see your strokes them. And granny come over when granny say, yes, man, the bitch must asleep now. And come over and neatly and go in your pocket and whatever. They know what them a do. And all the time, she there right beside you and they don't know in your pants. You know, so you can't say how she do it, you know. No. But at the same time, you know, I think your granny do it. So now you're going to get mad and I say, no, sir, I must say, oh, be this, where the money gone?
Yeah, because the time I have about 12 grand for me.
12 grand and thing, jeez and pace. And so with the brethren, I said, nah, man, when you go over this, I be a silver you for run with because I that them go on with, she bring man over there and thing and granny
Yeah,
robbed.
man. I told me clean the throat.
Yeah, I make granny. And you said the first time you clean your throat, granny paused, no. And she never
Pause.
moved, she paused.
Yeah.
And then when you see like she still a move to your pocket, you clear your throat again and that's how she back
Here
off,
again.
no. Granny a coat, man. Jano. Anyway, big up yourself.
Then
Here,
the
sir.
guidance here.
Yeah,
Guidance,
man.
cool.
Blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah.
No, you see them type of something there now where one person a juggle with the man and somebody else a rob the man. Suppose me telling you say a common thing, but I usually friend, You know, like a woman may have the man and they run the man all the while and whatever, but have a look friend, move to the pocket and thing when them, when then they hug up with the man and whatever, Sometimes it all go on when the man don't even sleep over. Most of the time the man no sleep over. A long time them look hustling there, them look scamming there, them look cool thing there go on, Anyway, people big up on themselves, I'm a Lego right, after 12, And I want to say blessings to the item. Oh, and big up the people them who subscribe, because when I say the subscriber them, they get access to the emojis them and them post them. Jimmy Q, you see the boss there, you see him right there, so Jimmy Q. See him, I say bless up everyone. And the real boss, you see that youth them want to follow him too. You see it? See them in the chat, Jimmy Q. I want to follow that youth, the him and DJ Chris Cross. I'm a general them, I'm a look a brother them, All right. So Jimmy Q post up the emoji there. Say one with big head, big nose ragga there. And I see one who say TamFam. Can you know say me say TamFam, but the Tambourine. Yeah. And the red one there is for the ladies and the ladies only. Ragga loves you. And I see one who say well done. And sitting there, right? Okay. All right, people, bless upon yourself, No, I'm not going to bed. I'm going to do some work. I'm going to do some work for my clients, Again, remember, I do immigration law. I'm a lawyer, all right? And if you have any U.S. immigration law concerns or if you need service, I don't do litigation, though. I don't do litigation. But anything else to do that you need a U.S. immigration lawyer for, anything else, send me a text at the following number. I'm only going to say it once because you're not supposed to say number over here. TikTok not like that, All right. So the number for U.S. Immigration Service, right? TamFam Immigration Service. That number is as follows: 516 500 0210. Hear me, I mix up, Bomba, I lie. I'm a dog that people see the boss there. Cutty copper shot. Cutty copper shot. Big up yourself, youth. Yeah, man. You have some youth in I think right, You have some man walk around and talk about icon and all them something there and whatever, and I use it loosely, But, you have some youth in it, It's like them in it long enough and them craft is so good, and say them respect the music, them respect the culture, and also just happen to be tremendously talented at the same time. To a level where you can say, no, it may look young and thing and is a youth and thing, but the man in the thing long time and they maintain a standard. Big up Kappa Shot, man. Big up Cutty Kappa Shot, man. Because I tell you, say them youth deal with it long time. Jimmy, you see boss coming to place, man. Yeah, man, and them man, they know. You know, so me say dancehall, right? There's a course at the University of the West Indies right now, Identity and Conduct in the Dancehall Culture. And me designed the course. They put it together and teach that course there and thing and whatever. You know, we love it thing and we take it serious. So, and we grew up in that thing, you know. And I just want to say big respect to the Copper Shot family and thing, yeah? Long time them youth there do them thing and I maintain the standard and I represent for Jamaica. Yeah. Cutty, big up yourself, man. Maximum respect, my G. All right? Do so. You don't know. Heal up. Mr. Chin the for me and thing. You know what is what, all right? Jennifer Stewart, you have my last name. Big up yourself, you know. Professor, what you do for the summer, done it? Now, Ragabash come back September, here. So you have to come Ragabash, Jennifer. You have to come Ragabash. You know a grown and sexy thing. Elegance and class, all right? So you have to come Raga party. You have to come Raga birthday party. September, Ragabash. Grown and sexy party, New York City. All I want to watch me right now, I have to come. Right? I want to know it's a Raga thing. I don't have to worry about safety and things. People behave themselves and it ever nice. You understand? Saying? So this year we are going to turn it up and make sure so the things sell off. So I want to know. No, I'm not going to tell you the date. Just give me a look at time and thing and whatever. I'm not going to know the date differently here. All right? But all I want to come at that in a September Ragashanti birthday party. Saying? Be a niceness, grown and sexy affair, you understand? And you dress nice and all these things. And nothing for nobody coming up pants and drop under them bottom and one of them something there. Grown and sexy thing, but young people come and enjoy themselves too, you know what I'm saying? So 80s, 90s, 2000 dancehall and lovers rock and all these things and whatever, you know? Yeah. Just step out and come enjoy on yourself later on, all right? Blessings, man. New York City, usually in Queens. Me I seal up the venue right now. Me make you know, man, all right? Flyer and everything I gonna make, see it? Okay? Just know so when I go there at that event there. All right, people, big up on yourself, you know. I go do some work, right? You know, blessings and respect, all right? CBS, big up yourself, you know. CBS, you want some steel wool and some ear jacks and things for clean your bathroom because we used to the dirt them in your bathroom stubborn. Queen Nash, me see you, you know, Queen. Know that here. And blessings, boo. What time is best to call you about immigration issues? Throughout the day. Anyway, people, bless upon yourself. Legoments, all right? Cool.